Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Here, so careful here. I mean, you know, something happens there. You know what? A minute, only for power, okay. Yo, the live here work. I don't know if the live work, you know, it depends on the hotel Wi-Fi and the live work. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna take that this thing. Grass, I'm saying live work, you know. Hold on, alright, I'm gonna switch that thing. Alright, 1 second. 1 second, people, 1 second. Yo, Chris, you ever buy pina colada and then put nutmeg in it?
That they do it to that one there?
Yeah, I'm at first, but you notice that I'm not doing it all the while, you know?
It tastes better?
Nutmeg make everything taste good, man. Nutmeg are over something, man.
Yeah, porridge you don't that much, you know.
Yeah, but munchy, pretty punchy, make porridge and have no cinnamon or no nutmeg or nothing in it, you know? And it look like piss water. You never see porridge of munchy, man?
I don't see her cooking. She can't cook.
If munchy can't cook?
Yeah. Remember, is a plausible question, you know?
No,
It's a good question.
No, it's not a good question.
Yeah, because not every girl can.
No, it's not a good question. Yeah, and every woman can cook, but asking if munchy can cook is like... Asking if munchy can cook is like... Yo, it's like saying, yo, you think the sun can get as cold as winter? It not happen.
Oh.
It not happen. So, you know, ask a question like that and say it's plausible.
I mean,
theoretically, some weird cosmological event can cause the sun to get cold, but the likelihood of that happen is like, it not gonna happen.
Yeah.
So asking if munchy can cook is like asking if the sun ever get cold as ice. It not gonna happen. It not gonna happen. And it applies to all of the ANC them, you know, right? The whole of the Antsness crew or whatever. You know, say boy Jimmy Power with them do, don't
Jimmy.
Jimmy Power with the ANC crew, man, and catch him, man. So you know, say you have to be SDC.
When you just throw me on. You
know?
know?
No, you have to be SDC. If Jimmy did over ANC, you have to be SGC. Because Jimmy don't treat out the thing already. Let me see if I can, hold on, let me see if I can flip that something. Let me can flip that something. Look like the live are working. The live are work, man. What? The Wi-Fi are gone. Alright, let me see me I switch or something, you know. Flip camera. Yeah. Alright, people. People, I'm going to show you how everywhere we go, people frightened for crisscross. Alright? People, I suppose you see my room and I get a hotel. Way over one end over, so way over. My room come in like one motel room to write it and crisscross. It's a crisscross room right there, so you know. People, you know, say they need crisscross. Like probably the best room in the hotel, man. They right on the beach, you know. And you see over here, so. At the bar, and you see pool, hold on, let me show you. See, this the man walk out to what time. Well, see him there, you know. See him there, you know. And when the man walk out and room, the man walk out and room, the man walk out and room to this. Right? And this the man walk out and room to. You understand? I saw a man there. Right beside the bar, I saw everything go on. That's what I say. And general go over to a pool over here so and them go over to the pool. Hi y'all. All is well? Blessings, man, blessings, respect, cool. Those ladies, them in at the wedding party. Oh, this one joined the life. Somebody, no. Everywhere we go, them frightened for crisscross people. That me I tell you no. John Crow. Alright, I can put this right there. So, one time I can't lower this now. Bring down this. Cross the life, I work on the Wi-Fi, you know.
Wi-Fi I can Lily still. Wi-Fi can Lily.
Lily?
Yeah.
People in hear them country Jamaican talk there. Lily, as in, it's small. Nothing I go on feet, that you say? Eh? Big man, that you say?
Yes, it's shaking.
Somebody I say, this is St. Thomas. Tell them how. Tell them how.
Thomas are the Virgin Islands, St. Croix and them place that. St. Thomas different.
Oh, me think she means St. Thomas a parish.
No man, yeah, was St. Thomas.
Me know how we are to.
Oh my bad, traveler from.
You're out there, man. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. This is Grenada, Lady J, Grenada. I know that sound disgusting, but we don't make a thing with. So where I go and TamFam? Big beer, where you say? Cheryl bless her, Raga, hurry up and come back. Well, people, Grenada nice, you know. Big up Sonya country, you know. And big up all Grenada people out there and things, see? The wedding go on good yesterday. I would cook it. The wedding go on good yesterday and thing, and I do my thing, I host it, and you know my style already. We're good at what we do. Cross deal with the music. Billions. It's nice, man. Big beer in the building. Yo man, you're not playing the music in my life because I want to repost my life.
Mash up your life.
Yeah. But well, it can repost. Man, hey, TamFam roller come together right now in a class.
Nicely.
Yes, man.
So I'll go have some party, man.
Yes, man. And everything I set up, man. We're going to have all of that, man. We're going to have like a launch party over there and thing. Over big yard. Big yard at the center of the thing, you know?
Man.
It's a Cookie Man said, did you go to the church?
Yeah, we have that night plans.
Yeah, we soon touch the radar going on there, man. Yeah, we're going to look for Sonya Virginity.
See the highlight right here.
What?
We just have a drink right now and cool.
We just have chill right now and cool, man, and whatever. We rest here this, you know, we're not shook till tomorrow, you know. Well, it's a big up Millicent and thing. Congratulations to Millicent and Alistair on their wedding. And I want to say big respect to them too for them hospitality and all them something there, you know. Because I was down here and Millie said, no, you don't have to leave, whatever, stay at the hotel, we'll pay for it, spend the day. And if you want to stay longer, let me know. But you don't know, me have to go back tomorrow and thing. And you have to go back tomorrow to cross, don't you? Yeah. But we just want you to know, say, the lady who hired us, Millicent, a long time TamFam.
Long time. You know, Millie used to buy CD from me back in the days. Millie used to buy CD from me back in the days.
Back in that, for real?
Yeah, man.
Long time.
We used to play the mix them, man, and people used to ask for the CD. Them,
Yeah, I used to sell them like Ragabash them and them something. From them days, I don't.
Yeah, but she used to order them. Remember, me used to have people order all over
Yeah.
in Canada too, you know.
Yeah.
Let them ship out.
Yeah, I saw the thing set, man. I went to hired me. They said, no, I told them I want cross and you Raga. I said, okay, alright.
Right.
You understand? And then we're there now. And you know, sometimes we do them things that people just automatically say you're leaving the next day.
Yeah.
And nothing wrong with that. That is actually the regular thing anyway. But Millie insisted, like, just stay if you want to stay several days, you know? I said, no, Millie, I can't stay several days, you know. I have a shoot back, you know. I have some daddy duties here, I have to deal with, you understand? Holiday. And I keep my kids them right now. So I just want to say, you know, respect to who are hold it so and so and so and so and so. But you don't know we have to touch back and thing and thing. I hold this now. Shams Journal, large up. See it 40, say cross get bigger and look mature though. What you mean?
Have to grow.
Yeah. It's all about growth, you know. But Raga say, laugh, learn and grow, don't. Laugh, learn and grow. Lady Andrea, big up yourself. See? Yeah, man. I would name somebody name our people who are giant. Sham say, heal up bro for me, who that? See it, remember when him did Marga? Christ, I must remember when he did Marga.
You know a weird spot?
What?
Before them know me, before me start power with them, we more Marga than nothing. You know what I'm saying? Country, collarbone, everything.
Oh, you did way more Marga than from when them know you in a TamFam.
You know what they say already. I know ugly, you just want to food.
Yeah. No, when them know say Jamaica sitting on it like our beard and care. Or
Yeah.
What you saying? Something on it care. People, what the Jamaican saying where you like it I say somebody want like it I say beard and care. No beard man. Somebody ever put
I know ugly, I just money on.
somebody ever put it. Somebody I say heal Chris for me. Him did skinny for true.
Yeah.
Shams Journal I heal him up, you know. What you mean heal him? Him not there. So you just give him a heal. Sham Unique say big up my DJ that are you.
Yeah man, Sham.
People, what the Jamaican saying where you know people like it I say you just want something and care. Like a beard and care, no man a two word like it I say. John, somebody can put it in the chat, yo. And I just look at care, man. Diva girl say, why every time I see Chris, me scream sex? Are you that are you know? Somebody named Diva girl, she say anytime she see you. She said anytime she see her pum pum jump.
Hi to you and your pum pum.
Well, you say hi to she and her pum pum, right? Yeah, she does beard and care, right? Shaman say beard and care. Yeah, Diva girl just say anytime she see her pum pum jump and thing and whatever, you know so.
Then again, nothing even goes up. I don't believe us all the time.
We don't believe me tell her say that you put in her chat.
No, because you know say you are one of them man the way before rage bait was a thing. Rage bait was a person.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, before rage bait became a thing.
Yeah.
It was a mass started, you know.
I think Mel B have it, you know. Mel B say 870. She wants keep on care. Some keep on care. I think I hate that, you know.
You know, so I'm bait or something like that.
A beard and care. Well, yeah, that's that man was saying when I know Jamaicans ever use, man. You know, that be the saying. Yeah, vintage bars, a beard and care, that mean, well, a beard and care. Karen Robe, you know. Hey, cutie pie, Chris, Raga, back up little, let me have a piece of Chris. Alright, yes, man. They can't have the whole line. See it? Karen, you can't take it, man. Lawrence, a lamp island here, some island here, though. Yeah, Karen, hold him, call him. He's all yours. Because the big talk lately is all about gatekeep, you know? Everything I gatekeep around now. And when I gatekeep around here, you know. Yeah, when I Blackpool Bridge in them. Yes, greeting. Blessings. Huh? Oh yes, man, it's awesome. We're live right now, and I'm telling everybody about it. Alright? Alright, blessings, man. Cool. Okay. See, I look like I wasn't the boss that, you know. See, Mike can give you a yell a while ago. And think them I go through, you know. See it? Yes, people, may I tell you now, a DJ across room there, and across get the good room, you know. Right? Anytime we go anywhere, him them frightened for, you know, them frightened for DJ Chris Craft. The boys in my room coming like one little motel on the highway to Ranted, you know. You know them little short time room. You know them little short time room there where you go for look at dash out when you drive out. Yeah, or a quick night sleep or whatever. Yeah. You don't believe some of them are resort. Way over way would them fling me in a little car. Yeah, my boat still. And them drop it dog over. And then over there, so I knock your hotel still, you know. But it look like them fix up the room them over here some more than the one them with me.
Yeah, close to the
close, yeah, the center. Yes, everybody want.
It's a little premium vibes over
here. Yeah, man, and then the room them now in the center over here, so it's like, yeah, it's like them room you get beer and here. Right? And then my room, them not get my room not show up here 3 days. Yeah. Explorer Chris, you start mixing. What kind of question that? Them man had them life, man. I want to tell you. Nah, man, I can't believe that somebody ask a question like that. DJ Chris Cass now stop playing music, man. And when him dead and go ever gotta go say, you are on the tune tonight, you know. Yeah. You know that, don't you? Yeah, when, you know, we are have a drop out at some point, and when you reach up, so you are going to play for the Angels, then. Are you going to play for the Angels? And I have to ask that, you know. See, Explorer, big up yourself. See it, say, I'm color Raga. Them say, you color me.
I'm black, man.
And you say them Friday if in brown color, though. Eh? Tantalizing. Where are you, Raga? We are in Grenada. And we at the Radisson Beach Resort and beautiful Grenada. Grass. Big and serious. You want to get like a transportation and go down at the church there?
Yeah, man. Either way I go make a call or we just get a cab and just book it for there.
Yeah. I'm not book no cab for no day, you know.
Then where you go just jump on and Tata bus? Everything you there down at town?
No, we book a cab, we go down there, when we come back, we get another cab come out.
Oh, but I never mean the view that go hang around.
No, when you say book a cab for the day, that me think,
yes. Like with that man.
Watch out. Diva girl say, Chris, I want peel and saute your plant. No, you must think I lie, me I tell, read it. You see it? Yeah. She said she want peel and saute your plant. Yo!
That sound aggressive.
No. And some real Jamaican lyrics them there, you know. Diva girl, you want peel implant and start to that. You know, some of them make a whole heap of noise and people in the next this right there, so on a big mouth.
A day more.
When you say diva girl, you want peel implant and saute that now, you know. CeeLo, what you up to? I see you mix up and a cook from a day in your kitchen, you know. CeeLo, I see you all flirtatiously eat some ice cream and all them something there, you know. And when you do it, I notice your eyes them a dance, you know. You know, you're quite... CeeLo, you know for flirt, you know. Enough Jamaican women believe it or not, them don't know for flirt, you know. Cutie come in and say, Raga, you go look for the virginity yet. Yeah, no, we are going down there. Diva girl said, no, it's not aggressive. It's part of... She'll make a mistake in the class. Hear this now. She said, no, it's not aggressive. It's part of foul play.
Foul. Or she said foreplay.
Yeah, but you go put foul play. So by trying to explain herself out of it, she put herself in a deeper because she said foul play. Right. Not even F-O-W-L, you know, it's F-O-U-L. So you know it's a foul play or something bad.
Yeah.
She tried to explain her way out of it and dig a deeper hole for herself.
O-W-L.
Yeah.
Then we know say a cock would have involved.
Cock would have involved, yeah, but she go say F-O-U-L. And she said, and then after that she said, what she want to wheel you in. You understand? And if she catch you and whatever, you know, dog, you have supper when she done with you, you know. But me think say you'd like it though.
Why you think I like the roughness?
Because you's a closet freak. You's a closet freak. You've never yet admitted anything to do with freakiness. Not even to your big brother Ragashanti, but
what you call that?
me know better.
Masochism?
Eh?
A masochism you call that? Where you want to get tied up on?
Yeah, SM. Say the masochism.
Right. So you really feel like at that moment, you know, some basement.
No.
With the little ball.
No, one thing I can say is about you. Me and you different in so many ways, but I can't say we're similar in that we not take no tie up and beating around here from no woman. You understand? No, me not see her do that. Me not see her make no woman tie you up and beat you like 50 Shades of Grey and them a bust your ass and all them. So, me not see her do that. If them a do that, your Manchester country talk will come out. Yeah, and you're going to say something like, oh, you that way, I say that, no. Me not take you, know. I sit there like so, no. I don't see I get bring down, I say, yo, my girl, that now work around here, yeah? You see it. People big and serious, though, we have to think we have to probably go downtown, you know. Yeah. Probably go downtown and we're going to look for Sonya Virginity, you know. Just Malik in the thing, in my foundation to in a class. You know that, don't?
Yeah.
Malik a foundation, man. Long time TamFam and that, you know. Long time TamFam and that. Grass, Diva girl, so I like you, Chris. You can't get it without even trying. You hear that? Okay. Alright. And to all of the man them in I chat, you see where she just say, I want to pay attention to it. Master Raga teach you certain things, right? You see where she say? She like Cross. Him can't get it without even trying. You hear what I say to you now? Youth and youth especially. No make no woman play on or whatever. If woman like you, you gonna know. Right? If a woman into you, you are gonna know. Unless you not feel like we do certain things with her or whatever. But I make no woman clown no time. When woman like you, you are gonna know. Crash, you say, Lord Chris, if you're getting it, you have to put the phone down. Right? Alright. Yeah. So what I say now, so somehow don't have to OD with certain things. Sometimes some woman a style on a certain way, I want to take that as invitation to keep persisting and whatever. And then when certain things reach, you know, complaints that the woman wicked and all them things and whatever, then the woman don't show you, so she not feel it like that for a long time, and you are trying to force it. That's what I said. Which is different from, you know, if a man like a woman and pay attention to the facts, I'm interested in her, but she not running, and she wait for say, what kind of effort am I going to make that different, you know? And then, during the time when him make them effort, you know, she not disrespect him certain way and them something, you know what I'm saying? But again, when woman like you, them like you. If them not feel it like that, them just not feel it like that. And nothing wrong with that. When a woman like you, you have to know. Pay attention. If she not like you like that, then, you know it, don't. Raga, a Miami me there, down a Yabo me there, drive. What she say? Raga, me there, down, Raga, Miami me there, down Yabo, me there. So she want to know if she will drive come for you. But be a Grenada, I'm the right, you know, so. You have to link him one way and talk to him about that. When him, you know, about the part there of my business. That's what I say. The part there of my business. Yeah, so you just link him one way and make him know so you will drive for him and thing, you know. Yo, Nicky says, Shams Journal, him nah look. Diva girl said, oh, me think you're there in Miami. Leave here Saturday. Nah, man, a Grenada with them, man. Grenada over there, you know, we work on an event last night and thing. Right, cross play, Raga host and thing. By the way, Orlando, big up yourself, you know. So people, me take a break from hosting and all them something there, but just know, I want to spread the word, you know, so Ragashanti and Crisscross ready again for host events and play at events and things. And you can hire us individually also, right? So if you want to hire me, hire me. If you want to hire Cross, you hire Cross. If you want to hire the two away, you hire the two away. You understand what I say? But just know, say, any little thing. Oh, by the way, like the young people, some of them, I can't really manage them there. Yeah? Some of them I couldn't know, like the craziness, what we used to do. I don't really do them something anymore. So anytime people link me about them type of event, then I just recommend somebody else, you know? But it's like weddings and big people events and thing and big people party and them something there are 90s parties. Still vibes, you know. Them something there, you know. I like them things there, you know. And you know, so Cross can play for any genre. Cross can play for young people, he can play for oldies. He can do, Cross can play at any event. As well as me, I can adapt to any event, but
I come back, don't have to promote all them said, like them
yeah,
dropping on the place, so.
the promoter them said, no, the two don't never come back here. I say Carnival in a win. August, him say? August?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, some promoter down here, so we need the tour about down here in August or whatever. I don't know that though, because I have to go see. But Cross probably can go. Yeah, probably you. If me available, because I never really do the carnival yet, you know. You know, so I never do a Caribbean carnival yet. Cross, you want to go down a place, you know, go down a church, you know.
Yeah, dash and sneakers and yes, and slippers and
Alright, people, here where we're going. Here where we're going, people. We're going to make a move and hold on, let me mess up now. Cross, you cross her later, yeah?
yeah, man. Respect.
You talk to her, man. You go like you know what. Talk to the lady, man. Talk to the lady, man. Hold on. No, I want my cameraman, you know, so them want the hold on. So you come over here, so I show you. So. Just come over here. Turn now. You see people, you see him dark now. I show you say I'm a bad cameraman. Go back, so. Go back, son, man. Go, you know, see. Watch out now, ladies. See, they want to get him in the... Watch out now, ladies. Bomba, cross to the leg because it's a jump. Ladies, cross to the leg because of the something that jump. Cross to the leg.
Yeah.
You know, so I love the arms also, you know. And now talk to the ladies. Hold on. I hear what go on. Ladies, listen to me now. I'm going to say something now. I'm going to want to think a joke business, all right? All of the ladies them love crisscross. And I make me know saying, me are the pimp. You see what I say? When you just talk to me and we just work out something, I will just make sure say him get film cut, you know? You understand? So now if I tell you what you want, cause if you just want a boom off, that's a one price saying. If you want just carry him out, that's a little eye candy pound a hand, a different price that saying. And then now, if you don't want to sit down in her face, I don't think you more agree to that. Well, you know, the sit down in her face, the part then work. But anyway, if you don't want a combo, make me know me. You just line up a combo. you man, if a combo don't want to make me know, man, just link me and thing and whatever. You see, I'm agent, I'm booking agent, I'm manager. You understand, all right? So anybody want piece of cross, ladies, anybody want piece of... Wait there, Raga, you need to have Chris stand up, then hand from head to foot slowly, show the full package for the... Stand up the 1 second, the crowd. I'm not doing a puppy show, just stand up the 1 second. So, no, a Bernardine say, people, you know, she said the boy, Marga where? Where Marga go? Where Marga go? See it there?
That bad.
Yeah, I not really, you know, that scan body something they do in a Bernardine. You have to find somebody else to do that. But I just make you see it, you know?
Yeah.
Stop pimp out the young man. I work. You must think I idiot thing or whatever. This is a bold career move, okay? This is a bold career move. You can't stay there about whatever, this and that. Try having no money. That me I telling you, but I come in and look at idiot thing right there, so. And thing, right? Black under, show the pocket. Me not put nothing upon the pocket. Good man. Right? That now work. You understand? Alright, so here are people. Hold on, let me see that song. People, here we go. Wagwan. Yeah, man. We go downtown right now. We're going to see if we can find the Anglican church down in our town because we have a mission. We have an archaeological detective mission to go rinse out. Kimberly, big up yourself, see? Right? We have a mission to go deal with and thing. I want to know what we are looking for. That's all we are going down to go do. Right? We are going down to the Anglican church. We look for Sonya, Virginity. Alright? See? Anyway, Grenada do it right now. We're good to go. We have to figure out some little movements and now and thing. Big up on yourself, you know. Love and blessings, man. Alright? Let's switch up that something, man. Hold on. Deeks, big up yourself, you know. Diva girl, large up, man. Everything is everything, man. See? Say a word, man. See? Boy. Yeah, man, I know a cola bite somehow on a cloth right here now. On a vex, though. Who vex? Who vex? Who vex? Who vex? I know I say, I'm not going to that Sonya. I'm not going to that Sonya, you know. I'm just showing you what I go on, yeah? I want fair food cock up, so. And then I want to make fair food cock up, so. I'm just a wonder, I don't know nothing. See? Somebody tell Maggie where with it. Maggie with it. Adrian Barnes, love how you took Chris Cross under your wings and send him to the world. Cross forever, great. I'm a little brother that man, I want me to you. I'm a little general that man. I have a rule, you know. From you work with me, if me a rise, you for rise too. You see it? Me a do well, you for do well too. If nothing not going for me, I can't really do nothing for you yet, you know. But as long as opportunity there for me, you hide your face down. Me see you hide your face, you know. Me see you hide your face. Me see you hide your face. Yeah, man, she have hide her face. She don't want her man see her down here, because she not put down here. My youth, you gonna left your door what, my son?
No, man, I'm going to do that. I just have a phone charge for 5 minutes.
Eh? You just have to make your what?
Phone charge for 5 minutes. So you hear me now, we are going to ask front desk with the taxi number?
Yeah, and just take a taxi and go down, go straight down there.
Okay, as long as I want a Tata bus.
What you mean Tata bus? What do you mean?
In the bus, the money you have to pack up and squeeze up in a...
Oh, yes, as long as it's not that?
Yeah.
No, we not do that. We have occasion. What you mean? We take, what you mean? Public transportation, like robot, like route taxi?
We don't have no problem with the public. We just don't have no problem with the cram up.
No, we not do cram up. No, this is not a cram up day.
We graduate from that long time.
Sexy Tommy say, I saw him on some. And Munchie say, Cross look richy. Poor man. Hey, me I tell you, no, Cross, you know, so we can't make money off for you. No, Cross, big and see.
That seem like it's not make money. That seem like I'm me and give money there, so.
No, man, don't worry. No, just say Cross look rich. No, you see it? No. You missed the point. You see, true, she say Cross look richy. I said, like, on a money make this. Are you? Cross, listen to me now. Listen to your big brother now. Yes, when a woman say, it look richy, it can be one or two things. Yeah, it can be like she want to take her money off for you. But that can be another way where a woman say. A munchie say that, but what I say is, a woman can say you look. Munchie's a very Jamaican
Yeah.
name, you know. Yeah.
She's a get your girl a peel. She don't give.
No, man, but listen to me now, man. I teach you something, man. When a woman say, look, Richie, remember, so when woman talk, them very indirect sometimes, you know. That is her way of saying, you look expensive. That is her way of saying, you look high value. And if you look expensive, it's not even about money, you know. It's that you look expensive. You look high value. And if you look expensive and look high value, you deserve to get it. And it's so, a woman may end up and say, a man look richy and she will spend money on a man there. You understand what your big brother just tell her right now?
Yeah, but it names.
Me know say this probably don't make no sense to you, you know.
It makes sense, but we are dealing with a munchie.
You deal with Munchie. Nah, but me I say the way how that say a while like, what? Watch out, she said, all his nose look rich to bumbuck. She said, all your nose, a rich nose, what see that? A rich nose that down.
Boy, I idiot, you know.
Because, now show the woman them the rich nose, man. Bumba, hey, listen to me, stop stubborn up with thing, we're going to make some money, you know. Listen to me.
Look at me, that's crazy.
What you say, the white people, them, the white people. He said, the white. No. Listen to me, focus, man. Some money I'm going to make right here, so now. Let me say, I'm Munchie send her money. You see, you unconsciously feel up your nose. See it there now.
You have to wipe off.
You have to wipe off. You see it? Women like that, because you know that presentation is important. So you know, really come in and look a chaka, plaka, something. All right? Wipe off your nose again, make them say. Wipe off. See it there? See it there? See it there? So when you say you look expensive, say you look rich, that can mean them will pay for you because you're high value. Them know say you don't come cheap. You're not blood clot scandal bag. You understand what I say?
Who knows?
Yeah. Well, me a big nose. My nose not go work. Them not really like big nose. Right? So you're not scandal bag. Yeah. What she basically say you're Hermes. You know what is Hermes?
I know Hermes. Man.
You know Hermes. And that she say. So she said that she will pay the Hermes price for your cars. It don't make sense to go in a business and them are a scandal bag price them are going to give.
Hermes.
Right?
You have the Greek god and you have the back.
You have the what?
Hermes. You have the Greek god and you have the back.
You have the Greek god and you have the bag. See there? You even have an intellectual base to your thing right you know. That just increase your value right there. So, you know, you're a bright boy too, you know. You know that Hermes, it's reference to a Greek god and it's also to a bag. Women love that. Right? So the women who have sapiosexual tendencies, that means them love men who bright. Negro, hold on. You realize you have the package? Book.
Crap. Man, a market right
through, you know. Right through, ladies. Ladies, what you do with that shoulder, yeah? Bite up him blood, bite him up down. Ladies, see neck there, what you do with that neck there and thing, yeah. See it there. Ladies, talk to me, you know. Right, me don't want to in the field say a slavery time or nothing about business or business. Kimberly. Oh, yeah. Kimberly, me know you say you're not bill with no money, no, but come with your money, yeah? Come with your money, all right? But it's my brother, Raga. Kimberly says she your sister. Here we are going, people. We are going to move here now, you know. See it? We are going to go downtown.
All right.
Where?
No, but you get done the live.
Eh?
But you get done the live.
No, I'm going to go down the live, right? No, the look Wi-Fi you hold up the way, you know.
Hey, I'm going to show you about it.
All right, all right. All right, people, I'm going to go the live there now, yeah?
So then, sir, you convene later.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, people, so here we know, movements, you know. Look more, we'll see if we can jump back, man. We're not going to even do the live down at church because so I'm look at connection things, you know, but we have to record.
Yeah,
we record it and post it. Just big up on yourself and go on easy, see? Now on yourself, you know, one TamFam down, you know, never to. Big up the SDC, big up the ANC. bless up on yourself straight, you understand? Grenada flexing, you know what thing go. Enjoy on the life, you know, nobody make stress get the better on you know, me always tell you that down. Laugh, learn and grow. Yeah, one life you live, you know. So live it to the fullest, no? Mad thing. Watch your right, look more here. I say a word, man, cool. Anna. When I make me cut off that sitting here, I wait there again. Oh, see it. We're there on the mission, right? Remember I'm telling you, say, we'll come to Grenada. We're going to look out for a fellow TamFam, Sonya. She come from Grenada. But she make we know, say, she lost her virginity back at the Anglican church downtown in St. George's, and that's how we're there right now. We've been a go around and them something. Give them a shot up this and show them up this, right?
Yeah.
You see, go over here, so you see that someone look like one look church, you say, but another one day where we are go, it's the down here, so. See? So, come, we have a look for it. Hopefully we'll find it and can do a thing here. We're on the right track, you know. St. George's Anglican Junior School.
Ah,
The key word here is the Anglican, you know.
Anglican.
Yeah, what's the church, man? Same place where they say, come. Son, you know, worry yourself, we got you. Okay. I see you're a Junior knows. Why people in Grenada, it come in like England, it's tight, eh?
Yeah, man. Probably that the brother did that say back in our days.
Huh?
Yeah.
Somebody with the Anglican thing. Did you know that basically I think the first Protestant church was Anglican? When King William named it, they break from the Catholic Church
Yeah.
and formed the first Christian church in protest against Catholicism, protest Protestant. The one who formed was the Anglican Church. And of course Presbyterian, Moravian, Episcopalian, all of them formed.
See how serious this mission is? There's an educational component.
Yes, man. Right? People are mostly churches, right? The Anglican establishment there. Forward. I don't know the church where I go to. Son, you know, worry yourself. We have a find it to put there. You know, so I want that look like that was the church. You know? But then them build up on new side, you know. And you see, they refurbish it, you know, and keep the whole a part of the whole thing, you see?
Yeah.
It's a long time, you know. But this new. And retain part of the whole, the original architecture. Okay, so this and that are basically the same.
Yep.
See what I want? But our church looks smart. So Sonya said, I'm behind the church doing. Yo, if people come here and say what we are doing, what we are going to tell them?
We have a story.
Like what we are going to tell them. We can't tell them say we are looking for Sonya Virginity.
Well, you're an anthropologist,
Hold on.
which is correct. So it's like
we're tourists and
yeah, man,
somebody
definitely.
They go to church here and
Right. One of our friends used to go here and
she said, yes,
was
she
in the
find
air.
Lord.
Right.
And
Good.
Yeah, I can't tell you. See you are going now. I'm going to see what this say. What? Get a shot at this. That is important. Let me see. St. George's Anglican Church, rebuilt in
25.
Yeah, by the British. This church is located on the site of an earlier French Roman Catholic church.
1690.
Bomber. A clocking stuff. A whole heap of history this in
Deep
a
history, yeah.
Unfortunately, a history of some of the wicked people and so bro. Okay, let my ring. All right, labor rights, don't get excited. I just a church bell I ring, yeah? What time now?
Yeah, man, 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 now.
5 o'clock, for them time.
Yeah, because mine is a 4, so I'm an hour ahead. Easy Rex.
I look like grave marker.
Careful, pick up a box, you know.
Yeah, but man say if she lose it, what you that think like which part round is? She probably would have a whole lamp on the grave, no? No, she not got to. What you laugh at?
Well, we are look.
A serious business now.
She said the back of the church.
Then at the back of the church where they
No, so me that one thing called it side front this. Me that say
the what?
side front.
Which part of that was the front?
So I
Which part
back.
the sign did there?
Well, me that look one with the bell there. I know.
I think she ring the bell. Dog girl lose her mind. It's pretty. People will feel the Korean thing, you know. The thing says she that day, I say like at the edge, I look over there.
Sound adventurous.
Yeah, it sounds to me like if I felt there, so she gotta look over and bend over and I take it. You know what I say? I like to call a view or something, you know?
Yeah, see.
Put all the summer.
Sound like a situation when me that bring somebody that time. Just I try.
You know, so I go, no?
I try to live vicariously.
Yeah. Anyway, yo, this nice though. This nice.
Yeah, this is good.
This nice. Not really not far, you know. My youth, you know what this is Cersei?
Eh?
You know what Cersei?
Yeah, you talk about them in a country, man.
A Cersei, man.
They know it, Elena go down and something they've got boil for your belly.
Yeah, man, a Cersei.
See it?
See that?
Yeah,
Flower.
yeah.
Yeah, Cersei flower. Cersei flower.
Mine couch thing, you know. Couch mix. I did that. I did. Oh, no style.
Alright. Why people we don't know when we have to come and dig or something, but we don't really see no sign to say definitively. And this right there, but we look like come now, you know.
Yeah, for real.
We look like we have to come back and look for this in the sun because the rain has come, you know. So you wouldn't try look, you wouldn't look for something.
Oh, I'm over in them bush there. As a countryman of them place, they are the place, you know.
I'm not going on this, sir. You know, say I be a bush down here.
Somebody press out a piece of board them on so you can step over it.
Just straight place, just one piece of board there, bush. Alright. Where I leave?
Man, so, well,
Eh?
how about that?
Or what?
Like a pastor drop him check.
Oh. Rain a come down, you know. Bombard cross. Watch out.
Straight there.
Watch out. You just found the source of Sonya's long-lost virginity. Events that occurred during her loss. 99 feel-ups. 69 headers. 60 lizard lap and 50 backers. I hate this in a cry. Sonya. Sonya, you're going to lead. Sonya, you counter rain.
Rain.
No, Sonya, you're going to lead, you know. You just found the source of Sonya's long lost virginity. Events that occurred during her loss. 99 feel up she get, you know.
99.
69 headers.
That seems correct.
Yeah, because headers, 69.
Yeah.
Get it? Yeah. 60 lizard lap. I will heap a lizard lap. I will heap a lappings that, you know.
Yep.
And 50 backers.
Naturally.
Boom, bro. We have it, Sonya. We
Because
have
it's
it.
over 50.
We have it. All right.
Great findings, my brother.
You see it? Yo. You want to wait until this rain and cool down now? What?
For what?
We go down. We not have to leave and go back down the road.
Yeah, we just take a search for a KFC, but now.
Check 1 3. Oh yeah, me I hear. Cause you know me love to hear about myself too. We're notifying because you're like
Yeah, you know. You got your arm on done.
40.
Alright, so if you want me to run out that thing, you can run out.
Yeah.
What you today? No, I'm back.
It's in a suitcase. As you go in and you walk up to the suitcase, you see it in a one look a black something. Yeah? Oh please, man. 4:30. Hold on, where my other phone there? Oh, I forgot I can't watch my one live, you know.
You can?
You can't watch your one live on the next phone, you know.
Yes. What? Yes, but with the next guy, Raga too. Ragashanti.
Yeah, me drive that thing. Where my other phone there?
You know, you asked me about your phone.
Look it in there, some man. Let's look for it, man. Look, give me it there. You see it? Nah, man, me had a phone there, man. It in there, man.
Virgin, me now nothing to do with your phone.
I will see it.
Jesus Christ.
But me have to go log out and yeah, big up, you know. Let me see if I can
Ask the
come out.
people them might hear you good.
Hold on, when I hear me good,
Not forward, not go PT.
yeah, you know what number?
Nigga, you know the panic key.
Oh yeah. Well, man, you have to take time with the whole man. Take time with the whole man. Yeah, take time with the whole man. You know you hear that way. You see it, I can't go so, you know, short. But go on where you go. Do I walk where you know? Walk where you know. Oh, yeah, walk where you know. Well, now, don't I hear me good? Yo, when I hear me good. Ah, CBS. Let me see if I can. Log out of this and see if I can. One second. I was brought my log out, yes. I don't say that's something I play with me. John. I'm to them ANC people about high sisters and the favor fat. Hold on, let me see if I have a phone in there. So, yeah. Alright, let me check out that one here and see. Alright. One second, people. Me I line up a little thing right there. So. Check. Come over here, so. Now this. work some magic here, you know. One tree. All right. No and all white. Me look beach crush up clothes them I wear, you know. My style is when I'm beaching. So wagwan people, wagwan. Redeem. I want my partner money, Raga. Ah, Jesus. Yeah, me need for a true partner right you know for true down. Munchie wa go down. What's up? Me I read on the post right now. Daniel Raga stand up 1 minute, make me see something. No stand up now go on, you know. In fact, oh snap. There was something I should have do, you know. Boy, people, we go on a mission today, you know. Yeah, man, me and Cross go on a mission today, and when me done broadcast, yes, I'm going to post it here. But we go on a mission today, you know. Right? All TamFamers don't know which mission me and Cross go on today. Right? A certain person in Canada know which mission me and Cross go on today. But we did go on the mission today. You see what I say? I'm going with foolishness down. Kimberly will go down. Daniel, me not stand up, you know. Probably shouldn't even say it that way there. But you say it and still get yourself in a trouble. Me not stand up or me not write. Anything you say, you get yourself in a trouble, right? Anything you say. Any luck, why? Del Marine say if any luck, why Del Marine? And I've got to look on the video after I post it, after the broadcast, here. After my broadcast, I put up a video, here. And that's enough. I said, but me I tell you, it did rough, you know. It did rough. But Grenada nice, man. Grenada nice, you know. And the people are pleasant, you know. People have a calmness about them down there, what I like, you know. Them just easy going and relax. The energy kind of different from Jamaica. Them more relaxed, you know. Even though they in our market, our woman broke out Caribbean style and a cuss out a whole heap of people. So we know so that did it. And we see Grenadians party, so we know so them have it in them to get crazy and all these things, you know. Just like Jamaican, just like Trinidad, just like Caribbean people all over, right? You know, so we have an energy, but the overall, in terms of me, when me a travel and I feel a country and thing, and I know how Jamaica feel, Grenada, you know, them vibes are nice and cool, you know. Yeah, man, them vibes, them full of joke. Them love run joke. You know, Jamaicans like make joke out of anything. They are like that too. They're full of joke. But they're noticeably them more calmer than Jamaicans are, them just easygoing, What kind of the same thing where other people accuse us Jamaicans of like, oh, so the Jamaicans, they don't have a care in the world, and all this stuff and whatever. Grenada and them, we Jamaican will look on the Grenada and say, oh, I saw them stay, I'm just calm, I say, oh, this is, yeah. Yo, Ugo, what going?
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, Raga, my boss, it's Johnny Cake in Grenada, boy, oh God.
No, you know, so I'm
shit.
glad you said, well, I know, so I'm glad you said that, because I owe Sonya an apology.
Oh?
Sonya, man, because I make a video and a beat her about the Johnny Cake, them where them have done here. Because Sonya can't make, well, I know Sonya can't make dumpling, She come from Grenada and she don't know how to make dumpling. No, man, she own it up. But so when I eat the thing, them now, I say, yo, no wonder she can't make dumpling because them I don't feed. But you know, so I go up to the something them and a Johnny Bakes, it say, and all in my mind, a Johnny Cakes, me say. Yes, all right. When I say, them I call this Johnny Cakes like dumpling and thing and whatever, and this don't even make like dumpling. They come in like fry bread. I say a fry bread. But I really Johnny Bakes itself for true. When I read the comments them on my post, I'm look, I say, oh, say a Bakes for true. So I owe Sonya an apology, a Johnny Bakes.
Oh, Sonya, on the behalf of my most learned friend, I want to apologize on his behalf. He's not that type of person. He was misrepresented. So therefore, I want to sincerely apologize to Sonya. My boss walk on, Grenada lick down the place.
Yo, fix up that thought, them, man. You're not trap me, You're not trap me. No, you're not trap me. You're not trap me. No, you can't trip me on that side because I make me go say about me admit something. Me not lick down nothing down here. You're wicked. You're wicked.
They must have been the junior representative for the bar, though,
You're wicked, Yeah, next year, Roundabout, are you me here say down a Grenada lick down everything, I'm not licking down nothing down here.
All listeners across the world, let me withdraw my statement.
Yes,
my friend was called to Grenada to perform, and he performed exceptionally well. I want to withdraw the lick down statement. I have no knowledge of him doing anything of such.
Please, right. Yeah. Because the whole world is familiar with the names that apply to me, and one of them is the very credible, Raga with the innocent mouth. Okay.
Yes. And let me advance on that statement. Virgin mouth.
Listen, let me tell you something. And people, I want you to listen to me now. When you get older, you get wise about certain things. And one of the things you get wise about, there are some things you leave them alone. Don't respond. Don't respond, because anything you say, you're going to get in trouble. So you just leave it alone. And this is one of them. We're experiencing one of those moments right now.
Yeah.
So me nah say nothing.
Well, and them say for the wise, the wise will keep quiet. Yes.
You see?
Yes,
How are you there now, Hugo?
Well, so me in Georgia, my boss, I go and transport some of my people in Monica, my part of business.
You see? Oh, me never really know that.
Me have a security company, man. Me have a branch in New York. You can look it up. You go protective detail. You can Google it.
Wow.
Yeah, man. I'm there in Georgia now. Set up an office in Georgia. And we go Jamaica too. We have Yugo Transit Service at Jamaica, Raga. Anytime you want to go to Jamaica, I have a couple coaster, couple vehicle down there. I have to market myself for your page, my boss.
You see it.
Yeah.
All right. Man, big up yourself, man. See?
Yeah.
See?
Oh, Raga, more before me take on myself. Yeah. We have more caller coming. Me link up for pay for the ticket for Ghana. Remember say me have to tell you something forward, my boss. More pay for it.
Yeah, man, I'm glad you're serious.
Yeah, I'm serious, man. I'm dead serious, man. I'm not go wrong.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what go on. You see, after the show,
Yeah.
link you, but you never send me no link or nothing.
Link. No,
Okay.
me need to go in there DM. The number on your page. It direct
No,
to
man.
you or go to some workers.
No, it got to me, but yeah, you have other people who see it too. But no, really, it come directly to me. That number there.
Yeah, come more pay for my spot from early. So me know me
I
deal
hear
with
it.
my thing.
I hear it. Yeah, man. All right, yes, man. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Just send me a number now to the same number they see.
Yeah.
All right, and then I'm gonna call you right after the show. Yeah.
Yeah, but there I go and watch you I go on still. So link me
man.
so me can Ray.
Yeah,
look
man.
Come on,
Yeah,
go on
yeah,
there.
you see
There I
that
watch you
526 number there? Just send your number in it, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
And just, when you send the number, just send a text, say, Raga, the cross is this. I mean, we know you.
Everybody know you got Sean. Hey, Raga.
Yeah.
Come here, my bag before me take myself.
Yeah.
You don't know.
We don't want nobody here. Yeah, go on.
No.
Just between me and you. Yeah.
You don't know, say one night.
Yeah.
When such man changed from diploma to associate from bachelor. Remember that night there?
Yeah.
You know, say a big woman off of the page. Link me.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, you go. Me here say a guy you take. And you do center the arts and rap. Me say, yeah man, see everything up on wall. Me not have to tell no lie. See it here.
Yeah.
So I get a big woman from Upper Florida where say she want me come train 2 people for a career. So I say, yeah, what me have to talk to my general manager.
Yeah.
Raga, me can't step out of the classroom and the boss no know.
All right.
So I take on myself. If she dep on the road, she gonna know say me a chat her business, but me tell her say Raga bring me in at the thing. So me can't hide nothing from my boss.
All right.
Any piece of money, it have to go through this and go and come this. So
Which is right. And be ye aware that yours truly, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti, attended the Jamaica National School of Drama, which at that time was the campus was called the CTC, the Cultural Training Center, which is now the Ednaman, the School of the Performing Arts.
Yes.
And that yours truly, Ragashanti, did 3 years there as an acting major.
Yes.
Yours truly, Ragashanti, is versed in the Konstantin Stanislavski method acting formula. So should you benefit from some knowledge from me, rest assured that in my generosity, I have no problem dispensing such knowledge to you or anybody else who is deserving.
Hold on, Raga, before I remove myself from here. I don't want to take the time up. You made you suggest a term or you use a term, right?
Yeah.
Remember, I am not in the Ph.D. era.
Yeah.
I am between bachelor's and master's. So, sir, my most learned friend, can you please break down that term to the most vocal point because I don't readily understand. Please.
Okay. There are 2 major schools of acting traditionally.
Yes.
One is the acting school, to put it simply, outside of Britain, and then the other is from acting grounded in a Russian thespian whose name is Konstantin Stanislavski. He was the one who originated method acting.
Yes.
And the basic difference between both forms of acting is that the British form of acting, which is very complicated in itself, it focuses on the external. So if you're playing an old man from Siberia or, I don't know, Italy or Romania, whatever, and so forth, they focus on you assuming the physical qualities of that person and portraying that. While with method acting, it works from inside out, while the British, Royal Academy of the Dramatic Arts, they focus on the outside in. So with method acting, for example, so you're playing a scene that you're supposed to be sad and depressed and down and crying and whatever.
Yeah, the inciting incident. Yes.
Right. So method acting will teach you to, for example, to oversimplify it, to remember an incident, that caused you great pain and hurt and so forth. And it gives you the tool to transfer the feelings and the thoughts and the pain and the hurt inside from that incident
and to bring it over into the scene that you're playing with whatever character it is. So
Yes.
that is just method acting just teaches you how to recognize and manage your levels of emotions, like in a way that it focuses on the minutia of emotionalism, and that's basically the difference. One is physical, and when the other one is emotional, psychological. That's all it is.
Yes.
But most actors throughout history have been celebrated as being good based on method acting.
Okay.
Because they can communicate the emotions and bring you in the moment and let you feel what the character is feeling, that type of thing,
I readily understand now, man.
Yes. Yes,
So,
sir.
Let me take away myself and let the callers come in
Yes.
and express themselves while I stay in the background and observe.
But do remember to advance me your number at the designated number that I gave you.
I will do that because I want to book my chair to Ghana. I cannot listen.
And I'm so looking forward to having you on the trip with us.
Raga.
In
Hear me, I
April.
say no.
Yes.
Hear me, I say no. Everybody across the world, listen to now.
Yeah.
See, anytime you go boss and Raga and Chrome cross the one place,
a problem.
Hello, somebody. They shall hear about it.
Yo, we don't know how Ghana go manage. How Ghana go manage?
Nothing more.
How Ghana go manage?
If you don't want Ghana turn upside it down and a TamFam travel.
Yes.
3 crosses, the one place. Hold on, 2 crosses and 1 cross.
Yes. Yeah.
Buy the ticket, Yuga Boss will be there. Raga will be there, Chrome Cross will be there. Make sure the plane full of beer TamFam. Nobody else. Nobody else. I'm out.
You're out. All right, my brother. Blessings. Cool.
Big up yourself.
One who go boss, people, 2 or 3, only one. And it's a joy if say you go accompany the trip. And do remember other people, if you don't want to forward, there is space to come on the trip in April. Okay? In April. We leave in April 6th. Okay? And you have to slot off a good 12, 13 days for that trip, right? Particularly we leave one day and we reach the next day, but when we're coming back, we leave one day and we arrive back the next day based on the time difference, I think. But you'll be spending basically a total of 9 days in Ghana. And with yours truly, I curated the trip, and I will be guiding you on the trip, and it's going to be amazing. And like I always say, it's one of those trips that if you're Jamaican and you can afford it, you should, because it's going to be a form of pilgrimage. It's fun too, but the knowledge acquired and the feelings and the experiences that you will get from this trip is unforgettable. It's going to mean so much to you and things. So if you can come on that trip, come on that trip. Again, we do it. I do it every year, and again in April we will be there. Okay. All right then. Good. Again, broadcasting from Grenada, we just set up and thing. We just want to say, can you give me your phone number, June? 516-500-0210. And the moderators will post the number for you. So just look in the chat. They usually post it right after I mention it. But it's 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. All right, Judith Henry, same thing posting. Okay. Cross, why you never bring my bakla wine?
What part in there?
It there in the man, it there on, when you're going, it there to your left, and as soon as you pass the closet, it there to your left.
ID up in?
No, it there in open. After you pass the closet, it there on the top. Because you're back where you're back, it's empty, right? Look at it, because may I slap it with? No, we're not car with card. We're not check around no luggage in no people, so.
Yeah, man, I follow you.
All right. I mean, I moved for that.
Oh, yeah, you know say you're short.
Duh. Let me not tell you. You know, say, I mean, I'm paying no mind, You're going like, rate your big brother, you. I tell you, much shorter. Much shorter. Because you cut through.
Yeah, man, them I hear me everything, man. Yeah, but you see, can you see over here, so where you there? At the uptown community, this, you know. I wish part me there ghetto. Where them put my room a ghetto. So when you go over, you have to be safe. You watch your head. When you're over here, so you're safe. But when you go over, you have to watch your head back here. Watch your head back over there, you know. All right. Dollar, big up yourself, you know. All right, cool. Let me bring in some people, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, crowd, bring that baklava in there because you see it. Yeah. We're gonna play some music looking from this too. You hear me, I say? Now I want to self, man. All right. You know, I make I don't answer that phone. Hello. Big beer.
Yo. Raga.
Yo, wagwan.
Happy holidays in any time, you know. Me come to redeem myself.
Redeem yourself. Oh.
You gonna see. I got turn on the camera in a minute. Hold on there. Oh, everything in a Grenada though.
You know, it's a Grenada nice and thing.
Yeah, man. Bless up to all the TamFam. Bless up to all the TamFam. All Elaine too cute and hot and spicy. Yo, me say, you know, it's a holiday time. Yeah, we have to really give thanks and love to everybody, you know.
Yeah.
We don't do it often, but we have to do it.
I agree, my brother. I agree.
All right.
Yeah.
So guess what? Me there I cook. Raga, don't do that. Don't do that. Eh? Just stay there.
I'm saying, do you have like intact oxtail?
You're gonna see it in a minute. Just stay there.
This is what I want.
Turn on. I'm gonna figure out this camera in a minute.
This is a gentleman who the last time I'm sure with oxtail.
And look like shredded beef. Yeah, nobody make it.
No, because you say you redeem yourself and there are people here who never know. And the man I show with oxtail and people, any Jamaican and little picnic, them say oxtail, them know oxtail. And what he showed us and said that was oxtail, it was shredded beef. It's shredded beef we saw that he was trying to disrespectfully convince us that it was oxtail. Well, it certainly was. We knew what we saw, right?
Hold on there, Raga.
What he presented was something
you connect using audio only. No,
but you've done this before. You've done this several times before.
I don't know why now come up, you know.
All right, hold on. Let me see if I can.
Me feel like you laying too cute, you know. I talk about
let me see if I can. Let me see if I can facilitate. Oh, well, and it. Are you have to do it, man?
Turn on, save. I made this now. Save.
Wait.
No. Backside.
You know, say a while ago.
Wait, let me turn off this one on him.
I want him to. People take time with him, the poor thing, take time with him. Because it look like it a beat him. Make we see if him forward. Well, I take time with him because he want to redeem himself, you know. So we want to see if. Hello.
Raga.
You figure it out? But what I'm saying is you have done this before.
I have done this before, but it say when me click it now, you'll connect using audio only. So me I try figure out me figure out. Oi.
Yeah, you figure it out?
I think so.
All right, let me see if you figure it out.
The box side is sitting and going with, man.
I don't know, you know. Oh, see, you do it then now.
All right, now you have to switch the thing now if you make it.
Yeah, if you make it big.
And then we want to switch.
All right. See you then now.
Switch the camera. Come here.
Me not come like you. Me look good like how you look good. Me wanna fuck.
No. When you talk about look
Okay.
good,
All right, we are going now.
all right, so yeah, make us see now. Hold on. Let me see now.
Let me show you.
What that? Hey, what is that?
All right.
No, hold on. Just follow my direction. Before you take up what in I put it down, make us sit. Focus on the pot.
Bigger
In the
now.
pot.
Hold on, I want to make it bigger.
No, man. We are seeing it. Just
you
put
see
it. Yeah, man, we are saying everything.
All right,
No
so what you want to know? What you want to know?
So, yeah, keep the pot right there, sir. Don't make the pot come at the lower end of the screen. Keep it up at the top right there, sir.
Okay.
All right, then. So, make us see. All right. Never say something, and if anybody want to disagree with me, or not disagree with me, okay? But make me say when I know you may attack. Remember, say we do this, and this is ultimately this is fun for us. But what I'm saying is, remember me give my opinion, and then you give your opinion. But this is my opinion. This is much better than the last time. Okay, that's the first thing. The last time your oxtail look like shredded beef.
Me know, right. Me make it cook long, but me take me time.
However,
with this one here.
Right. So this is, I just want you to know from the outset, this is much better than the last time. However, respectfully, and I don't, people free for say what them want to say. My brother, I am looking on a soup.
Ross.
No, because I'll be honest with you, a soup me I look for right now. It's a soup me I look for.
You know what, Raga? Me's a person with like oxtail and me like enough gravy.
Yeah.
So you might call it a soup.
Yeah.
Me eat it just so. You understand?
No. That is hold on. That is the rice and peas look good. It looks not move the rice and make we see if it's Shelly Jamaican style. Make we see.
All right. Hold on.
Make we see if the rice and peas Shelly. Jamaicans, we love our rice and peas shit. Yeah, massage the surface like say make love to it. Put the fork down in it and juke it up and bring it up. Make we see what go. Make we see it now. You can't juke it when I see it. Well, juke it and make we see it. All right, bring it up now. Bring up some of my rice and down at bottom. Wait, that probably not sound good. But yeah, all right, yeah, that look good. That look good. No. Your rice and peas look good.
All right.
Your rice and peas look good. But to somebody, all right, say Lana, I say your gravy one thick. All right, hold on.
All right,
hold on, man. People, on a post, on a opinions about the oxtail.
Take any constructive criticism. Me not like
right. No. You have always been good.
We say big. When I say.
Oxtail want for cook down to gravy. A long water that down gravy. It water.
Oh shit.
See it? Oxtail soup. Gravy long. Rice is okay. Gravy too thin. Me just read it. One dry down more. Too much water. Oxtail not done cook yet. Watery. Gravy need to be thicker. The gravy wants somebody. Yeah, it too long. That a soup. You see it? Little too much water. Now, remember now, let me just remind you, what we do here, remember, at the end of the day, people want to cook for please on themselves, right? So, nothing wrong with that. We just have fun talking about these things, and if we can learn a thing or two, then we learn it too. But, it's never that too serious for us here, in general. And we do have serious times, but when we do these food things, it's always in good spirit and thing. But so the people them say the rice and peas turn up. Yeah, them say turn up. And them say, Jamaicans use the term long. Yeah, Jamaicans use the term long, and them means it has stretch out too much, for them, You understand?
You want some cornstarch. You cannot cook up oxide. On the wicked, Next time add what?
Wait.
Add water gradually. Many add no water all the same, When me season me here, then me fry down and brownie and cook down there.
Listen to me. For
All
whatever
right,
it's
no worries,
worth.
sir.
No,
Listen, me
no, all
love
right,
my
listen.
oxtail and people
Listen,
love it.
listen,
Yeah, I don't know.
listen,
Me
listen.
respect the people them comments.
Right, good. And that is
I
the
don't know
spirit you
that.
need to have. And for whatever
Oxtail
it's
look
worth,
tough.
my
You know tough. Move your backside, but it tough.
yeah, cuss out them nastiness.
No, man,
Yes,
you know
man.
tough. One thing me will say. No, I don't me oxtail long and you can say about the gravy and me sauce, but you know
Yeah,
tough.
in a top. So hold on.
No.
So hold on. It long and soft.
Long and soft. No, just the oxtail, Run.
Yes, just the oxtail. It long and soft. For the record, ladies, it no long and tough here. It long and soft. And the man said that it's just a oxtail.
Yeah, I make jerk pork to box. Wait, let me check one say pork now too.
Listen to what me see
No,
jerk
them
pork.
are gonna cost me out this now too and say too much.
No,
Let me show you.
Me could see a jerk pork.
Where's spoon there? Backside. Hold on, me watch it.
No, the initial glance by the jerk pork, it don't look too bad at all.
Yeah, wash it a spoon. Hold on, give me a little bit.
And see somebody say your kitchen clean though.
No, man, you know we stay with kitchen when it come to cooking and cleaning, man. You want it?
No, not with Novelet and Delmarine and them. Them have dirty kitchen.
No, me not put the ANC in this, you know. You and your ANC.
No, Novelet is in the SDC.
So she can't cook.
She has challenges.
Kitchen clean.
She has challenges. Me could see a jerk pork. So, or your jerk pork have a whole heap of gravy?
Yeah, you want to call it stew pork now, don't you?
Me not lie, it look more like stew pork for sure.
You know, Raga? You know?
No. All right, well on. Me not have to tell you how stew pork look. You know how stew pork look, don't you?
Yeah, me know.
Yeah. Taki got you.
Try dry out, look at it.
Alright, let me ask.
One thing
No, hold on.
No,
Let me ask you something. That's a simple question.
Yes, right.
Where we come from in our country, right? Jerk pork cooked with gravy?
No, we know that.
Right.
Me not lie to you about that one day. Me know.
Right. And hold on. And where we come from in our country, jerk pork cut up so small like how you have it?
Well, me like it small, you know.
I know, but I'm just asking you. Generally no cut up so small, right? When pork a jerk, right?
No.
Right. Okay. So what are something I know where you take out a while ago?
There's some steamed veg, some steamed cabbage and veg. Right.
Yeah, that looks good. That cabbage and carrot. That's a cabbage, that's a carrot.
Carrot and potato and string bean and things like that.
That's not bad at all. That looks good. Now remember, you have people where them food look pretty, and when you taste it, and it's not pleasant at all.
Yeah.
So your food may look so. Remember, I said food coming like people, Some you have people who look good, and they're the most disgusting personalities, and them sort out pop down.
Look here.
Hold on, and them sort out pop down, right?
You know, right?
And you have people who. I'm not going to tell you something what Jamaican man love is. I'm not going to say it because it's not nice. But it's a saying amongst Jamaican men that those who are not aesthetically celebrated in the extremes, they tend to be the most talented when it comes to certain activities. So your food may taste really, really good. We don't know. So we have to go by appearance and presentation here. Now I'm just saying your oxtail look more like oxtail soup, and there's nothing wrong. We can have an oxtail soup if that work, And next time you just throw some more red peas in it and thing, and then we can say oxtail red pea soup. Mad. But and then another thing, at least you come out and show with your food and thing. You know much people I chat up one bag of thing, and if I see look cooking from them, it would have never happened. Right? Look on Verona. You know Verona Mendez,
Me about that name there.
I'm a charge, I'm a lover, I'm a lover.
I was talking about where your clothes them. In my yard. In my house.
Make them go, man. What you mean by where the man
go?
follow
the chat, all the same, Raga. All the same. Look here.
Yeah.
Me just want, show my little thing and make a know say food can cook. Me might not be an expert like all of the women them and all of the female them and this chat when they can make them food, they want them to do anything. But
you see what that person here must have crazy or something. She said, hold on. She said you can grace your food and eat it and enjoy it. That is the point.
Exactly.
Listen, for whatever it's worth, at least hold on. Listen. For whatever it's worth, at least you're miles ahead of Ragashanti when it comes to cooking, right?
No, Raga. Me not say that. No, Raga, you can cook, I just take the time and follow the thing. You're an educated man.
Yes,
it doesn't take the time and go follow through with little steps, them and everything like that.
I know. No. You see, here's the thing. To be honest, cooking has steps, but really good cooks, it's an art. It's not really steps. It's you feel it. Like the really good cooks, they feel the food when they're cooking it, and them just know this need a look of so and so. And I don't know if you explain it, but good cooks, they're like that. It's almost like they blend with the process of cooking. I don't have that. I can tell you that. I don't have that intuitive thing. They would look. They can just look on food and feel it and say, "But this one, someone."
They know them way there because look here. Me have one cousin, and she a Rasta.
Yeah.
Bonafide like Boba Dread.
Yeah.
But she can make some jerk pork and some stew pork there, and she not taste it.
And she not eat it.
She just look on it and season and do whatever, and she make it good. And she never taste it yet.
Let me tell you something when me say woman do a country. Two woman, do a country. Me never know say something like that. And when I say them, I like, then that hour, look for when they walked in and smell the food and say, no man, that needs so and so. Yeah, that needs so and so and so. This the mile goalie sent me and me say, that was the first time. And I was just like, so you can't smell food and know what it need? And they were like, yeah. And the other women were like, oh, please, that's not a long time something. That's not new and thing. But at that moment, me never hear anybody smell food and say, oh, this need a little more so and so, or me not smell no so and so, or whatever. Yo, women will eat food and be like, they will say things like, oh, she used garlic powder. She never used natural garlic, but she used garlic powder. Me can't do them some of that.
Oh, they know that too.
Yeah. How them know? Say it's garlic powder the person use and not garlic. No, but what I'm saying is they're feeling the food on a level where me no function on that level. Me no know them something of that. And them right. Right, me know people can smell food and eat food and be like, oh, them use too much powder seasoning. Them should have used more natural seasoning. I can't do them something there, but a lot of Jamaican women can do that. Them can eat a food and know if it's mostly powder seasoning or natural seasoning. Me and team say, well, the scallion did rotten. How them know the scallion rotten? How rotten the scallion tastes in a food? I don't know them something there. But I'm telling you, you have people who cook out there and them can do these things and whatever, and it's just like a connection with the food, the cooking and the process that me not did so, You understand? I know that none of the ANC women them can function that way because they're just not that good, right? And Tarsha included. But outside of them,
don't forget Munchie.
Who are Munchie? No, Munchie buffan. Munchie can't cook at all.
We're not fried time round here.
Yeah, no. That is CBS. Right, Christine.
Oh, I'm CBS. I true.
CBS. She's the one.
That one day.
She's the one.
All of them are the same.
Yeah, who fried the time to a crisp.
I want to encourage Elaine too cute to put up something. I'll let you cook earlier morning. I'll about 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning. She can record it and send it to you.
I send it. No man, big yard. I tell you, it's a big yard. I seal up. Watch man in January. We are gonna start.
Teddy, you can't talk to none away.
That is CBS.
You the one brown sugar. The one
yeah. That is Christina Brown Sugar. That is CBS.
I see. I mean, the rate are good, but she thought was me can't chat to no. But it's all right.
You can't stand there the fry time, but me not frying that time round here. So,
All right, Big Bear, big up yourself. Here, son. I say, all right,
yeah, man,
man.
I enjoy yourself. So wait, we will come back to US.
Tomorrow, even though sometime I tell people when I come back.
No,
tomorrow.
but the travel and the weather and everything are going. So
Oh,
just
yes.
all the same, no matter when you come.
No. It's
safety
important
and
that you
protection.
say it so just so people know. No show tomorrow because I'll be traveling during that time.
Watch out, they want to knock me down about me. I cook oxtail soup. It's all right. You don't want the oxtail soup though. You don't want it. You don't want to suck up
with them
it.
hungry belly set. Well, you said them want to suck up your
They want to
oxtail.
suck up all the bone. Because look here, when you make oxtail soup, if you don't make oxtail soup like me, like how them I said me I make it. When that the bone come to your mouth,
jeez,
it's sweet no blood. Yo,
glory.
Hallelujah.
Glory. Yes,
Raga,
man.
I better
Yeah,
go.
man. Yeah, man. Like all Del Marine now, should I do well I suck off your oxtail bone, them and thing, you know. So yeah, uplift for our life, you know. Yeah, all right. Don't say all right, my brother.
energy.
Big up yourself, man. All right, cool.
All right, respect, man.
Yeah, man, cool.
Cool.
Let me take off this thing. What this thing ain't give me problem? Oh, I forgot to have to do first. Let me. No, me have to, yeah, no. Is that kind of bring me? See, I will go there. Okay, all right. Oh, people, it's actually a good idea that Big Bear brought it up. I will not be doing the show tomorrow because tomorrow during the show time, we are travel. We are come back to the United States and thing. Chris Cross and myself and thing and whatever. You have a connection. What?
The kitchen closed 11, so if you want anything.
What?
No, I said the kitchen right beside my room, around the corner. No, I'm checking people. Let me see me. Right from my room, around the corner. Yeah, the kitchen. They have to see me when I say this. All right, the kitchen from my room, right around the corner, literally around the corner. All right.
People support. Tell him in my room. Tell him in my room.
No, I'm telling you this still, but
Tell him. I describe what it is. You tell him.
I don't know Motel 8. Me I go down a long corridor, people. Yeah. It coming like when you're there at primary school. You know them long corridor there? And then me go up one little stairs, like when we did there you, they had the dam them.
Yeah.
Over Irving and so.
Yeah.
And me go up there and I say, no, sir. So I see there. And then when you look over the side there, you see Beer Forestry and so. And you see two little pan. Then give me two little pan.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh,
if you want to take picture also, then give two little pan over there. So if two duck come and want chill over there, then can chill over there, alright? So, but I mean, I lie, when you go in our room, it look very simple and have a kind of.
I like simple.
Nothing wrong with that, but
you see over there, it's a motel vibes you get over there. It's like,
right. It's like when you have a little one thing and you want, you understand?
People keep in mind this hotel is called the Radisson Grenada Beach Resort. And that the hotel name. So it never say Grenada Motel 8 or Super 6 or whatever you could place the name.
Right.
But when you come over Chris Cross side with theme room there, you get the resort, the resort vibe.
Bossy.
You know? So that's why you hear him show off himself.
Right, because we step out on the patio where we're there right now, actually a broadcast, and then you literally, if you step out 2 more feet, you're in IC. You understand?
Yeah, you're just going to rub it in, right?
No, and then the bar is right there, the kitchen is right there. So as me I say, Raga, the kitchen are closed 11, so if you want like a sandwich or a burger, you want some pasta. Early now, man, you know, see? 8, man. Oh, so if you want something later on, you feel peckish or something?
No, I think, I feel like I want to indulge. So
so if you want some pasta, they have Rasta pasta, you know?
No, but you know, so me see a thing over there like them I say.
Me can't get the menu, you know?
A lamb burger is for $50.
Yes.
It's 50 what kind of dollar?
EC, man.
EC?
Fee. I can't US.
Oh, because me I say, a burger for $50. No, me I say, Janu, me I say, yo. Me I say, no, the hotel you go hard. Yeah. So, a 50 EC. All right then. No, me can't work with that. Then. Me can't work with that because out of principle, me ain't buying a $50 burger. Me no care. It could have good look more. Me ain't buy. So here we go. Me try one of them lamb burger.
So you about around 9:30, 9:45. So just be on the safe side. You make the order.
Yeah, but me nah stay along with the live doing.
No, but you know, still, you know, your youth will always say one thing and then the vibes catch you. And you can't go nowhere because then people have a bust your head. You understand?
Yeah.
And people them used to their little session at night time and them plan feet and so. Remember if I never me wouldn't even there so now we bring out the little equipment them and make it work.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So we're gonna make it work. Hey everybody, how you doing? How you doing? You know,
Come on, say hello to my brother. Say hello to
blessings and respect. We are in the building, people. As we say, first time me and the general in our Grenadian is a joy, you know. You know what I mean?
No, he has been here before. But it's the first time me and him are juggling.
Right. But here we Raga, a while ago I posted the thing where we did this evening, the video on the patio. Yeah. Somebody has said, yo, a long time Raga and Cross are rolling. If people don't know them, don't know, you know. So you know I want OG Jamaican 93 FM person.
Long time TamFam that, man. Long time TamFam that who know say. And I know we are juggling, you know. Yeah, man, big up my little brother, you know. Him deal with the reception, billions last night and thing and whatever. No surprise there. And when him done and whatever, somebody who work in entertainment here for donkey years and know the game, him say, yo, some Grenadian man them who know music and whatever, hear ya play. And thought, you hear Cross I play the soca them. And they thought, Cross, they must say, who that or whatever. So he must tell them, say, no, that's somebody from here. And they must say, no, man, that's somebody from here. Is who? And he must say, no, he's a youth from Jamaica and thing, man. Him live in America, and him, you know. And him say him did have a problem for convince him. So he must bring them in and show them. You know the man, and they must say, hey, we don't know him for true and whatever. So yeah, when Chris Cross play the music, call you, man, right? And I don't know where you play only, you know, the most important thing is how you play it. Right? Because you have people out there, you give them the best instrument. The best instrument. And if they don't know if you use it, then produce garbage. Right? St. Vincent. Don't worry yourself, man. Just a matter of time. You see what I say? And people, me are telling you, we and Chris Cross go up on the mission today. And
so look out for that.
What's Sonya there? Sonya gone? Jesus and peace, Sonya did it, and I know she gone. We go up on the mission today and I'm going to post the video after, you know? It's like a 10-minute video, you know? Hello.
Good night, Raga.
What's up, boo-boo? What's up?
Becky and the young man stay so bad. Look how long me and a kid were. What let me know?
No, man, come in, man. I want me to you. When I left
but
you
do not let me and knock door and nobody not answer me. Who not up in the eye,
no, remember, say you look a bit windy, you know, and based on all our things set, you have to come through the window.
So we can't buy that and this. I'm the size alone, please.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we love when you look so, you know, whatever, because there's an advantage. We can bounce on us, flip on us.
I wear your drink. I like a party there today.
Yeah, no, but yes, let me tell you why, man. So you look a bit and so, I'm going to say something now. And for those of you who, whatever, I am very unruly. I talk about sex a lot and for fun, and I want to just work with it. You know, I like with Uno, look at whatever. We can't in our living room and flip on and still in our living room.
Yeah, man, I like it too.
You know, I talk about when I come out of our living room, you know.
Anywhere you want,
yeah, and still in our living room. That is the advantage we do, no man.
Any room you want as long as me there in the video and I flip me.
No, man, are we in your room? I want me to you. Are we in your room?
Any room.
I move up your sofa and I move up your hassock, yeah? Yeah.
Oh God, they want sheep over the dining table over the side.
Yeah, no, that our living room. Well, that we in the living room, you know, we're not in our kitchen or the dining room.
Any room, yeah, push over the dining table.
No, you know, it's a while ago. You tell you, you can't catch me, you know. You see what you just do, you realize what you just do unconsciously.
What?
A while ago, you say, yes, Raga, yeah, shift over the table in a dining room. At the dining room, you can't. Me tell you,
Oh.
me tell you, me in a dining room, I eat
Well,
anything.
am I
Go on and leave me. Miss Lady, go on and leave me. Or they're
I
not
didn't even
catching me.
realize
Or they're
what
not
I said.
catching me, and whatever. Me
Hi,
tell you, me in a
everybody.
living room, I hear over. Yes, Raga, come over, so come shift up things in the dining room. Come
And
shift up
sometimes
things
the
in the
words them not
dining
come
room.
out right.
You can't catch me. You can't catch me. You understand?
That's
But
why he's a
yeah.
good teacher. Because the
Yeah.
student not even realize the shot foolishness
Yeah,
until they
exactly.
correct her.
After me well up in the living room, I kick off a foot them off I love seat.
And
You
me
are
to
carry
tell
me
you,
over in a
lad,
you are carry me over in a dining. Me tell you say me in a dining. Me in a
the
no
map the floor
dining.
sometime, you know, mine is sleep, you know.
What you say what?
The map the floor sometime, I sleep.
No, me like that. Me like when you map the floor. Yeah. The floor for
Just
map.
don't sleep. We not deal
Yeah,
with
no,
sleeping.
just clean it off and clean it up, you know. Floor for
Right,
clean.
better.
You know what I say?
Overflow, your own, not you.
Yeah, you think you could have
Yeah.
clean floor better than So Bless Mendes, Ver?
Boy, I mean, I know enough about me, no man.
Share in a chat, the So Bless Mendes, you know, a bad girl, you know. A
They but
gangster,
I
you
said
know.
you want you to consume.
Eh,
No,
what that?
me I go consume. Me like to eat, and me I go consume.
Who say about consume what?
Shea Butter say she want you to consume. So me
Shea
tell her me
Butter.
alone I go consume. Me like to me and me
Shea
greedy.
Butter. Yeah, what she name? Shea Butter. Yeah, beer slippings, that and all them something there, you know. High calorie diet, that, you know, man.
Jesus.
So what's up, boo? What go on?
Me
You look up any?
lick up my knee for the cupboard.
No, get used to it because your knee are gonna lick up on the bed.
Hey, Raga. Lady.
That was a joke.
Remember the carpet burn them? The one in your back. We don't know, so you get until action done.
No,
until you
no.
probably a beard or something, you feel something in your back a bone. You say, wow,
Exactly. No, women will get that power knee. Yeah, no, for real. And you say it right. And when everything done and you gone, whatever,
Yeah,
a little sweat around down your night and thing. And that time you're like, hold on, I want me
when
so.
you look the whole of your back rub out, carpet burn the middle of your back to back side. The man have it on your back and do something. The knee one too. But the back one of the worst.
No, but you no. When you're in a ghetto though, you know, grew up with carpet, you know.
Sir, you
So
have
this
to
is
get on carpet, we call carpet burn.
no, but when me I say
there.
no, but me I say true. When we come from ghetto back in our time, when I grew up with carpet, the first time you work with carpet, you end
Well,
up
friction burn then.
Yeah, no. What I'm saying, you end up abuse yourself because you don't know about the carpet burn something. They say, you know. So quick, you go and pay and think you're safe on our work.
Me get enough.
Yeah. Well,
Me get enough in the back. And you never know yet. Yes.
In
the
back,
middle of your back. Yes. You know, when they have you for your back, I do all kind of things put up in a here and twist all our side circle and over circle and all kind of fold over and something. The back will rub out in the middle, Raga, you don't know until. You go beard that you feel that the middle of your back burn you. You know, the lower part of the middle of your back. And you wonder how the back burn when you look at one big, the skin rub off, one big dirty sore in the middle of your back. A long time I get none.
Let me tell you about the back something there with, man. Phone and nails, right? Sometimes a woman will cry, but when you're in it and a woman a sink her nail in your back and it nice and you work, you don't really feel it, you know. You don't feel it, you know.
Me never scratch it, but me sink nails. Just
sink nail. Yeah, man, and when you're done, man, and you lay down back on your back, you feel like that time you feel it hurt you, man, because on a go on with a thing. And to me was a professional boner, man.
Yeah. Sure.
And them look at something there and whatever.
You have to continue to give bun. Come give me some of the bun now. Want raise me night too.
No, my Easter no come yet, man. Easter no come yet. So what go on in England, the coffee?
Not a thing in my day, I need. You don't know the Christmas holiday just finished.
Seeing.
Going into the New Year's. We're still alive.
Give thanks.
That's all that matters, though.
Give thanks.
Still alive. So you see you there on holiday again, Mr.
No, it's not holiday, it's work. I'm here to work. Wanna be wanna think like them people, you know. It's like once you go certain country, wanna think holiday.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, you know them people. It's like in the Caribbean, it's holiday. Yeah. I work, man. On a holiday. I work. Yeah, understand. Yeah.
Yes,
I remember we are from the Caribbean, you know. So when we
that's
come
nice
here, yeah, you know,
that's
and
nice.
really,
All the way down a Grenada, that's nice.
Yeah, the first me come here.
Nice, man.
I'm me and cross.
Them have enough nice man down there like, you know what I mean?
And I really look on the man them, but me there look on the woman them, and the woman them still good.
I lie.
No man, the woman them have that strong body. So right cross, we notice that though. We which part we did there? Cause we go downtown because remember say wait what?
No man, so remember that the mannequin them represent the level of travel.
Oh Lord God, we all have a video, man. Me I tell you, we see some mannequin. When me tell you, say the mannequin them have big body and broad hip and thing. The mannequin them in a store, me have to go over there and me I say, no, me like them mannequin. Yeah. When me tell you the mannequin them have big black woman bottom, you know, and the mannequin. Yeah, no, the mannequin. No, me I tell you, whoever make the mannequin, me I say, you know, say the mannequin, go on. No, me I run the video, me couldn't see.
Nobody ever look me that put argument to them mannequin there. If nobody ever look me that put argument to them, mannequin there.
Yeah, me I tell you, woman.
Peak, you know.
No,
when you look a man to Ross, you know, and you rather look mannequin more than look you know. Raga, stop disrespect me.
My girl, you can't get the world of body over England want you and things. So I don't know what you can pick and choose. You can pick and choose them over there. So I don't know what.
Scratch up my pom pom.
British?
Wait, what? Wait.
Person that British?
Is she British?
Yeah.
You mean this person speaking?
I want to know. She British?
Yeah, she's British. She's in London. Yeah. She's in London.
I need the body, but Raga don't want to give me the body.
You know, she needs the body.
I need the body.
Tell her I'm peng, man. I'm peng.
You're peng. No, Raga is leng.
I will peng me.
Raga is leng.
Can't manage it sometime, you know. Can't manage it sometime, you know.
Raga don't want to give me none of the pengeleng. You're going to look mannequin to blood. Hey, no. Send me Pretty Nikki. Come help me. Somebody. Angie.
Pretty Nikki. You know,
what they never start rely upon what's your name there? Yvette. I feel like she would help me, you know.
Who?
What's your Ilian about Yvette? Ilian. I feel like Ilian will help me.
Ilian now get involved in that something there.
Yes, ma'am. I feel like Ilian will help me. Ilian, come when you come and talk to Raga for me, please, yeah? So you know a long time I beg you, Ilian. I remember you were supposed to teach me to cook the food for time, but unfortunately that not gonna work out. So just give me local advice and give him local advice. My sister you're in the books. So just talk to him, Ilian, please and thank me. Need some of that something. Look them, I'm teaching. You know how me I watch in front of him, no know me can't talk now, I'm covered. You know for me, yes, you know for me I watch in front, Ilian. Lord Jesus, Ilian. But outside of him door won't let me eat, Ilian. Please, Ilian, beg you.
Nobody. You me say no man. Nobody get Raga for do what him don't want to do. If me do it, and me want to do it. Know that, here.
All right then. Can you please move the rug? Don't want to move the rug.
Listen to me. Let me bring in a couple other people here.
Lord,
be a trouble. You come here for as usual.
Touch it a little bit for me. I saw that I pum pum jump. Good night, Raga. Good night, people.
Good night, Kavi.
Jesus Christ.
Good night, Kavi. Good night, Kavi. Go about your business, man. You can't manage it.
The skin catch on fire.
Good night, Kavi. Good night.
Egg me up, Raga. Egg me up. Touch again before you egg me up. Please, one more time. Just a little bit, Raga. Move it, Raga.
No.
Just move.
Yeah. If me hang you up, you're gonna like it. So I'm not hang you up.
All right.
All right, Bobo. Love and blessings here.
Yeah, okay, man.
Cool. All right. Kavi are the baddest girl in London, you know. The baddest girl in London, man. Be a problem, Kavi, you know. People do remember, say, tomorrow. Well, hey, the one, what's she name there? She gone. People do remember, so I'm going to post the video after, right? Because we on cross go for take care of certain downtown. We downtown here again, St. George's, not so name. Yeah, downtown named St. George's, and we go down there and we go walk street and we're gonna post, one of them video, the longer one, and then post a shorter one them later. But we're gonna walk street, and it was all good. And some things were accomplished. We never thought it would have been accomplished, but we managed to accomplish some things and whatever. So at the conclusion of this broadcast, I will attempt to utilize the Wi-Fi here and post the longer one of those videos and things for your you know what? I'm going to do something right now that should be quite interesting. But before I do that, check. Hello. All right. Kalia said her father lived in Grenada for a while. What? Spiritually blessed. I say, you go to the church, Raga. When I post the video after the show you're done, you will see what happened. Okay? So I wanna just stay tuned for that, all right? After the show done, I'm gonna post that video there. All right. I'm going to do something interesting right now. I'm going to bring up two people at the same time and see what happens. I'm going to bring up two people at the same time and see what happened. Okay? All right. One.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
How are you, Raga?
Boy, I'm good, What's going on with you?
I'm good because I see my nice, clean, sexy body man.
Who are your nice, clean, sexy body man?
Chris Cross, Raga, don't do that. What do you mean? The brighty?
DJ Chris Cross, I am. Oh, I have somebody else on the line. I don't, I have Elaine Too Cute on the line also. Wagwan, Elaine. What's up? We have another person on the line. I'm sure you hear her already, correct?
Yeah, man. Me not beat her too hard because she called me phone and say, I listen to Raga. And me tune in her early part and me say, you're not on live. And she called me after that. And say, yeah, listen to Raga. Me say, no. And she say, I'm live. So tune in. So, but me
Alien.
Yeah.
Hold on. Alien, you're going like you're idiot and thing. You can't make somebody come here so and done you and beat you and batter you and deal with you wicked and all them something there and call you and tell you say the show start and thing and she said that a Sykes. She said that a Sykes.
That's no Sykes. That's no Sykes.
She said that a Sykes. She call you because she knows when you come on you're going to take it to her. And she said that a Sykes.
Big Bear said big up to Hot and Spicy and Ilian. I'm call her. I make she know so she get big up. You too hotel. I know that you want to. You want to set up Chris Cross for Ilian and it not go work. And that you want to.
Me want to set up Chris Cross for Ilian.
Yeah,
me want to set up Chris Cross for Ilian.
Yeah, can you say Chris Cross will look Ilian and that you say what there?
No. Me not busy with you. I beg body from Cross, right? Right?
Come get Chris Cross body. Me not beg body.
No. You're a body beggar, right? We world knows you are a body beggar and you beg Chris Cross body, right? You are a body beggar, right? Me not busy with you. I beg Chris Cross. Yeah, what you say, Alien? What?
Me still have her as a friend, but me I keep her far. Put up
big
your finger, Raga. Big finger.
See the big finger over here, so she there. She can't come with the globe. Stay over here.
I don't
Jesus care. God, watch my finger bend. Watch my index finger bend to you, man.
I don't care how far. I'm a friend. See you here. Chris Cross. Come on the front of the line. Because you was on the front of the line earlier. So you're
no, Cross. She want to talk to you. Hot and Spicy, she want to talk to you. Come. Hot and Spicy, she claims that you and her there. Hey, hold this.
Let's see what I'm going on. Hello. Really money.
Hello. Good night.
Hello. Good night, crisscross.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm here, my baby. You forgot me? I don't. Nobody come go like you. I forgot me. Come give Raga not me, you know. Nobody come go crisscross. Nobody what is like you see Raga. Raga love things, you know. Me see like nobody would like a Raga. Tell me go make you do it, alien. I'm here the long time.
Nah, Jesus Christ, Raga. I wouldn't even matter spice.
Jesus Christ. Was just
No, but me I said hello, but yeah, give me the wrong name. Yeah, forgive me. Anybody when me there with me know their real name, government name. Government name. Me not deal with alias. Right, true. Government. Government name.
Yeah. You know them woman that who breed and when them go hospital and have them pictures with the father name
Blacks.
And them say him name Blacks. You know what is that man name? A Blacks him name. But some people call him Boogalooga, but a Blacks me call him and whatever. Them don't know. I share one of them kill somebody.
Right, that's what I said. Me like government.
Crisscross. Okay, all right, crisscross. Maybe I don't remember, but we still remember I find you there at campus crisscross. And you're the album to the Raga crisscross. No. Alien, I'm not president. This is a
Raga, she a mix up crisscross with Prezi. What a word, this girl.
Well, Raga not here, no, so me I go give him back the headphone.
When they must say what?
Raga, she's a wordless girl. Hey, listen to me, little girl. Raga, she's a wordless girl. She a mix up crisscross with Prezi. What a wordless girl.
Raga,
hold on, Alien, what you just say a while ago?
She's a wordless girl. She don't know the man them different. She a mix up crisscross with Prezi.
Hold on. All this time when she say crisscross, she didn't think of Prezi?
She swear at Prezi. Like she do it.
Jesus and peace.
Raga.
But Alien, I saw you know. Hold on, Alien. You see she laugh because she realized she had to. Jesus and peace. Well, Alien, I saw you know front here listener.
Okay.
I saw you know when front here listener.
Okay.
Raga, crisscross, I go remember because I remember so long time I not talk to him.
No. First of all, no. Boy, you should have shame for say what you just say. You don't even realize how you dig a hole for yourself.
No, but I'm thinking I remember.
No. But Alien, she don't realize how she just kill herself, you know. Right?
No.
Well, don't see that you own up the man, but a fear man from how long or whatever, yeah. And she give it to him, yeah. And the man don't even remember. You don't even have to forget me not, right? you don't even. Are you kill yourself a while ago, you know? Are you own up the man the whole time you own up the man, and it's you out of your mouth say the man where you own up him dumb remember.
You know what you should have
kill yourself. You kill yourself.
Raga, you know what you should have done?
No, you can't put that on me. Listen to me. You can't put that on me. Try carry your pum pum go get counseling. And that if you do, try your pum pum go get counseling.
Now she need to kill Satan spicy.
No.
Satan spicy.
Me I tell you say, yo. If she kill herself, you know, we don't even have to kill her, you know. She own the man, my man, crisscross, my man, yeah. And then she with her own mouth said, no, him don't remember me. Him don't remember me. And whatever. What a thing is, you dash out your front, left, right, and center, and the man remember that to rat it. And you come and admit it and put it out there. You should have shame. All right, now I know your front and look up on you and the pan. Really? Really? Like seriously? Seriously? You're going to make me look like that again and whatever. And after all the work I put in, like, and him forget you and you there chat up your mouth like seriously, really?
Raga. Let me say something to Raga. I want to talk to Kavi at England.
Yeah.
I want to tell her, say, when she and you are talk about no sexting and she said, me I go help her. Me can't help her because me and your brother, me not go get involved in that. All me have to tell you, Raga, just be careful of the punani them where you take. But me
Okay.
can't tell you which punani if you take and
Right.
what kind of punani if you take. You understand me? So,
All right.
me
So hold
not
on.
go get
Hold
involved
on.
in
Let me just
that.
be clear though. Would you advise me to go to Master Gooda's house and go eat food?
No?
No. Okay. All right.
You see you? And you always make them a run up and a done, you know, but I'm not spicy there tonight.
No, me just
Don't mix me.
no, me just
Don't
get some
mix me,
advice
man.
from my
Send me a big
sister.
finger.
That's all. Me just get some advice from my sister. That's
Remember,
all.
send me a big finger, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, send me a big finger. You just rub me a while ago. Cause it's like how my man and I wash out my belly pan every day. And since he know me see him post and I say, look now, cause I was at the patio and now look at me say, wow, look at me nice, clean brown skin man.
Watch out.
Food.
Body beggar, you know shame. Body beggar, you know shame. But you're nice, clean. You're nice skin, brown skin man. And whatever, and the body forget you, don't. Nah.
Shame. Cause when me hear ball out in the government name, I say Jesus. But me I say Raga should have said, listen, hot and spicy from egg and Raga just throw me some.
The man say him don't know people.
The man say him don't know you. The man say if you did there with him, he would have know your name and thing and whatever. Not only that, if you and him did really there and once you speak and whatever, the punny remembrance should have come in, but you have no punny remembrance. You're like a void, right? Right? Your punny coming like breeze. It just there everywhere. So, you know, and just like pass. And
You see? And then she come talk about she no have vacuum punani. And then something a blow off your punani blow away.
Blow anyway. Yeah.
Vacuum suck it in.
But even have a special effects right I don't be a shot fire. Be a shot fire while I would have fire a while ago. Done that, yes, alien, or you mean? Butter that and flatter that. Yeah.
They're going to take your beat because in here. They're going to take your beat in here, alien. They're going to take your beat. No worry yourself. They're going to take your beat.
Nah,
don't
don't bother put it on we. And we make a thing that pop down so that it come right out of your mouth. And no, we don't need at a spice. You done yourself.
You know? We done ourselves.
I never say uno done me, but I take million beat what she not giving now.
Yeah, right? No, yeah, well, yeah. All we just had to a paraphrase what you would say, you know?
Exactly.
All we had to repeat and paraphrase what you just say about yourself or whatever.
Big beer food look nice, but all the things said the oxtail, you just want to simmer down little bit more.
Some more, yeah.
No, more they say simmer.
Brown stew pork. That is brown stew pork. That's not jerk pork.
Why you say?
No, more they say simmer. Simmer mean like, you know, the gravy little bit watery and can simmer down a little bit. That no little bit watery. You know, see when him bring up the whole of the oxtail, them you know see how them the pan. Like them finally could have breathed, cause drown them a drown. You never see when they bring up the oxtail and the oxtail in the pan. Whatever thing or whatever. Cause I drown them a drown.
Big beer said good evening to
no, when you say
follow you.
no, I remember asking a question then. Don't follow me, just answer a question.
Yes.
When we usually say, you know, say at a price you answer to you and alien. When we usually say no, it could have simmered down a little bit more. Don't that mean like no man, you could have just kind of put it a little longer, make a gravy kind of thicken up a little bit and come down. Now that's what me. All right, here's my question to both of you. If him do that with what him show away, just make it simmer a little bit. Would it make any difference?
Yes.
No, the oxtail would have drowned same way. You know see how much water there is.
Raga, listen.
The oxtail would have drowned.
Raga, I'm not going to take out the oxtail out of the pot. They call the oxtail.
That's not too soft.
I made the gravy go straight.
Yeah,
listen to me. What you mean don't turn on my head? What I'm saying is
can't do that.
Me can cook, and when me see people cook oxtail, simple statement me I gonna make, you can't tell me if I lie, me I tell. When people cook oxtail, I mean looking at the pot, you see the whole of the oxtail at the top and thing.
Yes.
Me wrong or me right?
Yeah, right.
All right.
Right.
When listen to me. When me look on film oxtail a while ago, I swear to you, there was a temptation on my part to throw a life raft to the oxtail so that them can save themselves hold on because the way them are sink and drown. Right. The oxtail them did a drown and thing or whatever. Right. You never see the thing come up SOS, save our souls. The oxtail them are drown and they that try survive.
Raga, that is so true, but what I'm saying, it said the oxtail bone is soft already. So all my do, take out all the oxtail out of the
Yes,
pot,
see
and
I'm
use the pot
so.
with the gravy and the
And
stove
make
and
it go and simmer down.
Simmer down.
You can't do that.
No, but you notice when
That's
him
it,
take
no
up it.
mash up.
All right, you know, so we love when the oxtail cook and it just slide off of the bone when they eat. You would know that, right?
Right.
Okay.
But I already slide
You notice
off.
when him take it up and whatever, the oxtail and just kind of wither away. You never notice?
Right. Yes, because oxtail already overcooked. So all
Exactly.
take them out of the pot, put them into another pot or a covered dish and make this gravy stay on the stove and simmer down. That's all I'm saying.
Well, I hear what you say, but you would be able to understand that, you know, because what happened there is that the meat never have no firmness to it and it just soft and water away. You used to that. You used to that hot and spicy because the only type of meat them where you get them have to fold up for going in your living room.
No.
Eh?
Raga, let me say something to hot and spicy, you know. Last week, me hear you talk to her. I said, what is the difference with cornmeal dumpling and flour dumpling? And even when you say, if you put little bit of Raga friend, you put cornmeal in the flour, a cornmeal dumpling. You hear me? Now make nobody trick you. Yes. The source of flour. A flour dumpling. As long as I could have 1 teaspoon of cornmeal put in there.
And it turned cornmeal dumpling.
That's source of flour is flour dumpling.
Flour. You know, say acho.
Yeah.
Acho.
You're spicy right. With pies, you know, like some people what their name M, their name start with M, then I know nothing more cooking.
Them name start with them not M. I think it's A. No A. You mean for say
M.
I'm not a chef, but I can tell myself.
No, well, Indian.
Start with A.
Oh, some certain people where them names start with M. Okay. Me know a uno. Yes.
Listen, spicy. Let me just done. Raga.
Yeah.
You see, you have some people, family member. So, all right, like come here, your brother and sister, right? And me can cook and you can cook. You can cook too, you know.
No, ma'am, I can't.
We just assess something.
Right.
Me can cook and you can cook. And you know, say if you cook, and me I try trick hot and spicy can't tell us a Raga cooking this.
Right.
You know, say you have people like that.
Yes, and that is the point I was. Well, that is it. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Hello. You what? Sure. Yes. Come on. Hi. Hello, come sit. Can
you send me the link?
Hello. And your name is?
I'm Els from England.
You're what?
I'm Els from England.
Els from where in England?
Yeah, I'm from Birmingham, but I live in London.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you here just vacationing?
I'm here vacationing with my children.
Okay.
Just me and my 2 children, yeah.
That you and 2 children? Okay.
We've had a really nice time. We're going home tomorrow, back to England. I'm sad.
Oh, really? We're going back to New York tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. How long have you been here for?
We just came to host a wedding and
to
do stuff for
amazing.
A wedding.
Is it your wedding?
No.
Oh, okay.
He's a DJ.
So,
wait.
What is this podcast? What is this podcast all about then? About weddings?
No. It's really I'm a talk show host.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what do you talk about?
Jamaica. Lifestyle and culture stuff.
Okay.
And,
I'm originally from Jamaica. My dad's from Jamaica.
Your dad is from
Yeah,
Jamaica. Where
my
in
dad.
Jamaica?
He's from somewhere in St. Anne's, but I'm not sure exactly because I've been to Jamaica once, but I haven't been to my family.
Right.
But in May next year, we're having a big family holiday and we're all going out there.
And do you know where in Jamaica you're
We're going to be staying in Ochi, in the Rio. We're staying in the Rio in Ochi, which I didn't want to stay in the Rio because it's like a party holiday. I want a nice, relaxing holiday. But my son and my younger sister, everyone, they want to have like the party vibe. So they're staying in the Rio.
And again, what is your name again?
I'm Els.
Els?
Yeah.
Els?
Yeah.
Is that
ELS? ELS.
Just ELS?
Yeah.
Just Els, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is really nice of you to just spontaneously say,
Well,
hey.
you know what it is? I'm on my home. I've been really good this holiday. I haven't drank any alcohol. And today I've had like 3 glasses of wine. So I'm like that, talking to people I don't know.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 weeks. Yeah.
And is it your first time in Grenada?
It is my first time in Grenada. And I was having a really lovely time until I found out that they eat grilled turkey. Stewed turkey and manakau, which is a big rat, and since then I haven't been able to.
They eat what? What?
Not turkey, turtle, stewed turtle, and curried manakau, which is a big rat, and turtle and manakau.
No, but turtle is an international delicacy. Didn't you know that?
I don't know about that stuff. I'm from England, and we don't eat things like that in England. We eat steak, lamb, chicken, and that's it. We don't eat any other funny business. So it's made I can't get my head around it. So it's made my food journey not very nice here.
But that's okay. I mean, it's their thing.
And so we went snorkeling, me and the kids, and I got off the boat. I was hungry, so I went, take me to an authentic place where I can get some proper food. So I want to go where the tourists go, and they took me to that place. And I had curry goat and breadfruit, which is really nice. But I couldn't stop thinking about the turtle. And then I came back and I was like, bleh. I just couldn't stop being sick. And then since then I'm now to enjoy the food. Well, that's a cultural thing though, isn't it? And that's what your podcast is all about. And I couldn't get my head around that.
No, but I mean, don't feel bad if you don't like it. You don't like it.
I don't like it. The thought, I never tasted it. The thought of it did my head in, and then that made me stop enjoying the food here.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
But that's okay. That's okay. I'm sure you had a good time otherwise, though.
I had an amazing time, and I'm sad to be going.
Are you sure you had an amazing time, or you're just saying that?
No, it's a beautiful place, and the country's got so much character, and all the houses are with colours, and the trees, and the greenery, and the beach, and the blue sea. It's amazing. I love it here.
So I would think that you would be coming back then, right?
I'm not sure because there's so many places to see in the world, and I just like to go to different places. Okay. So.
Well, you do say you guys are having a big family reunion in Jamaica and coming soon, right? And when will that be?
May. In May. Are you going to be there?
Am I going to be in Jamaica in May? Do you want me to be in Jamaica in May?
Are you Jamaican? Did you say you're Jamaican?
I am Jamaican.
Whereabouts in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston.
Oh, really? Ooh, so you got the party vibe going on?
If I got the what?
Party vibe going on.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I party, but not so much as before, and I don't really care for it.
Okay.
But I'm very social, though. I just
hook up then when we go to Jamaica in May. Yeah, there's about 20 of us going. My family from England, and some family from Florida coming over to hook up with us.
So you've been to Jamaica before?
Yeah, I've been to Jamaica before.
Same place in St. Anne?
No, I went to Kingston when I went before. And you know what? I've been to quite a few Caribbean countries, and Jamaica is the best. The food's the nicest, and it's the place where I just felt happiest out of all the Caribbean countries that I went to. Yeah.
Okay. But listen, Els, I was talking to 2 people. They're there. No, that's okay. I run the show. I make the decisions and things. But they're usually pretty nice about stuff like this. And
are you going to be here in the morning?
Yes.
I'll come and knock on and get your card, and then we can exchange details. And then when I'm in Jamaica next year, we can hook up.
All right.
Yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, people. Okay. Happy New Year to you.
All right. Thanks, Els. Okay, good.
Oh boy.
Now, this is a time when I have to tell you all, me know on stay and behave on yourself. Me know on the time, you know, Lanoy, no, you know, Lanoy, you have some of them will come out with some sitting, you know. I mean, know behave on yourself. Behave on yourself.
Me enjoy the little interview.
You enjoy the little, very nice. That is what you're supposed to say.
Because I was saying she make a nice wife for Chris Cross, but I was saying to myself that, you know, but
that's all up on your head, man.
Well, she said she gonna knock. Well, she said she gonna knock on the thing to get contact information, but she don't know this is Cross's room. This is not my room. So when she knock a man in a crash, she gonna get
exactly something wrong with that. You can say
no, where?
Man, make you man come thump me down, you know.
No man, nah thump you down, man.
This man can't thump you, I'm there to defend you.
She said no man can't thump you, she there to defend you.
Remember them always say England people mad.
Voila.
Remember them always say England people mad, you know.
No, they're not mad, but no, but Hot and Spicy, I said she would defend you. Well, I remember she want you member her front, you know, you still not a member, though.
From how far? What's she there?
That alone means you're not a member her front. She don't have no memorable front.
Raga,
she don't have a, if you say from how far, where she there? You don't remember her front. Yep.
One thing about me, any woman I've ever had relations with, know my first name.
Know your first name. All right, here. What it? Hold on.
Jesus,
watch your career. Watch her. She start ball already. She start ball already.
Jesus.
Hold on. You hear what Chris Cross just said. What is his first name? What is it?
Raga, I just said to you, oh Jesus. Oh God, I don't know his first name. Raga,
you don't. Jesus, God. She said she don't know your first name. She said she just a kill herself at night. You don't know him first name. Listen to me. Hold on. Book TamFam man. Alien, watch this. Watch this now, Alien. Some gal a run down the man and the man no want them. Whoa. Run the bomb.
Raga.
Which one? G? V. Some gal around down the man and the man want them. Alien. Wait, go. Ball. Wait, go. What go? Ball it on the front first line go.
Ball it on the man name.
On the first line. Yeah.
Raga.
No.
Chris Cross, Spices from Jamaica, long time come from.
Listen.
Raga, you know something like your behavior?
Listen. You have man a jump up in your belly regular and you don't know him first name. Go ahead. Right? You have man a jump up in your belly regular. You walk and a brag and a own up the man where I jump up in your belly and a restructure your internal organs and thing and a stretch you out and a shift up your internals and all them things and I know you don't know the man first name. Go about your business. You understand, but you won't be the first and thing like that. You have man a jump up in your belly and a shift your kidney, your uterus, and your liver and all these things and whatever, and you don't know him first name.
All him breeder and she end up a public now and then ask her, where your baby father name?
Chris Cross. No, what is his real name? What is his first name? What is his first name? Chris. What is his last name? Cross. I thought you ever tell him.
Class up again and pass up again. Make sure no
Never post this. Real. Yeah, which other one you get? That little pizza. You know, I'm not necessarily we can banter her with. Eh?
No. Can't banter me. But guess what? All you have to do, I just remember, just fresh up Chris Cross memory.
But refresh Chris Cross memory.
Listen to me. Chris Cross left Jamaica, they're too wicked and bad.
That's why she there for.
You just a kill you. The more you open your mouth, the more you kill yourself.
I'll never stop talk.
Imagine You
I can't
ask.
spicy make we talk about
Hold
fried
on.
dumpling. How gonna go in our man tea?
You dash out your Jojo
Me a drink.
Gigwa regularly,
drink
right?
something.
Hold
Me a
on,
drink
let me
something,
talk.
sir.
Listen to me, big man attack. Listen. You dash out your Jojo regularly to a man. You publicly own up a man who you dash out your something to. And then you go ask a different man to remind the man of a body you take, who you are. You know, shame. Alien, when you ever hear anything go so?
May I tell you?
You ever hear any woman say, no man, son, me and Junior there, but you have to talk to Patrick for me. Patrick remind Junior say me and him there. You ever hear anything so go you say?
Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. Yeah, no careless front woman talk so.
Careless.
Yeah. John, no. Everything you say, you kill yourself, B. I wish you had the oh my God, boy. I wish you had oh my God, boy.
I lost you. Yeah,
I can't believe say so you do me.
Me?
B. I do ourselves.
How you do yourself, so? Right?
Yeah, but Raga.
Cuss yourself. Draw up yourself. Go cuss yourself, right? Go draw up yourself here. And yourself if you cuss, because right now you now do you good, right? You know.
But me
anyway.
don't want to her because she did a work with Prezi all this time. And
Yeah.
I want to her.
No, Alien, Chris Cross was there before Prezi. Chris Cross was there before
jump like a frog.
Yes. Because remember say them outside, them a jump all about the place and them teeth in front for jump. Remember say Chris Cross was there before Prezi. Remember say Prezi just come 2021, but Chris Cross is there from day one.
Alien, listen to me. Amtrak front you have. Amtrak front. You know what is Amtrak? All right. Amtrak is a train we stop at every stop in every state. Amtrak front you have. Yeah. Amtrak national. It stop everywhere in every state. Right? She can't chat to you, Alien.
You have to stop it.
Yes.
Your front need counseling.
Yes. Anyway, remember bringing some other people before we cut here. Yeah, man.
Happy New Year. What is up?
Yes, man. Happy New Year. Yeah, man. Happy New Year. All right. That's our word, man. Big up on yourself, man. Blessings, man. I'm cool. I know it's a Raga love on you, 2 hours, all right?
Love
blessings
you
here.
too, Raga.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yes, man. I'm done with now. No, I'm not coming. I'm still there. I'm still right there. That's what I'm here for this.
May I go and listen to you afraid, you know? Yeah, most man I go down there now and whatever and rate it. She not come down yet and all these things down. Wait, Sonya gone again? I was Sonya there, man. I'm the one bringing Sonya, you know. Yo, Sonya, I go around the thing, you know, the pambo. Sonya, where really the pan? Hello.
We have an admission coming in? No, ma.
Eh?
Are we getting any admission?
An admission coming to the ER?
Raga, what are you doing in your box? Raga, good evening. What are you doing in your box?
We are doing that. You me tell you say you can't in my box. I must be in your box.
All right, you're in my box, but just all right. Let me be professional. Good evening, TamFam. Happy holidays to you all. Good evening, Raga. Good evening, Chris Cross.
Yeah, good shit. Yeah, good evening. Yeah,
you know, I'm real out of order now because nah carry this over next year with me.
Yeah.
So when you hear the wife, The white swoop everything. Come out of my Ross, me chat to my man. Come out of my business. It's too fast. Yes, when I wear the white swoop everything. It's like
I
when
don't
I
know.
have the rug, it'll show everything. Nobody, nothing.
No,
Watch me.
no,
It's
no.
right, that's right, that's right, that's right. And then you put up the finger, and you just have
Eh,
me confused. I work with the finger, and then the little package right there. So the little something not tell no lie. I can't concentrate on doing my work. Rather not tell no lie.
me not follow you up with your
Rather,
foolishness, you know. Eh?
no, I true me. I tell you, me not tell you no lie. I true. Me not tell no lie. Look there.
Hold on.
No matter what you do.
Hold
No
on.
matter what you do.
Eh?
Yes. No
Oh, I love
matter.
the hair.
No matter
Love the
what you do.
hair.
See?
No, the ear I look good. Me not lie. And the
Yeah,
smile.
brother.
Watch the. Me not lie. Girl look good tonight. Girl look good
Thank you
tonight. Give me
always.
the smile. Give me the smile. Give me the smile. Give me the smile. And give me a look of smooth now. Give me a look of smooth. Mwah. Chop
And then look.
Watch out. Oh, yo. I can't
Yeah,
bother
right
with
there,
you
so.
sometime, you know.
That's so.
No, girl, I work in the night. I'm like, that hairstyle, you know. What you call that hairstyle, you know?
It's called a mushroom.
A mushroom. Oh,
Yes,
I get
sir.
it. I get it.
Yes, sir.
I'm so beyond time. That is
Don't
nothing
worry.
like the Tony Braxton hairstyle, right? No.
No, but if you want the Tony Braxton, I can get for you the next time I go in.
Wait, what you say? Whatever I want you could get it. Whatever style I want, you can get it. Oh.
Anything for you.
Any look, don't see.
Any look, darling, any style.
Jesus, God. No, but big and serious, you know, Dr. Mark. Then you think, say, if we juggle, you could have managed it?
Me?
Yeah.
That's the question you need to ask yourself.
Boom, buckler. Listen to me, the man. Me can't bother right you know.
That's the question you need to ask yourself.
Yeah, all right then.
Like
Go
when you're
ahead.
big and thick, you look like you're Anglican, your chest broad and your neck thick and something like that. I look like you can manage.
Bomba
Look like you can manage.
2026 I go nice. Me fi
Yes.
tell you
So,
though.
always be going in Grenada.
You know, it's really nice. And again, as you all know, this is my first time here. But I want to tell you that the people are so pleasant. Them have that Caribbean something there. Them full of vibe. Them love to joke about everything. You know, we love joke about everything and whatever. Them have that something there to her. But them have a calm, them more calmer than we are, you know? Which is good.
We different.
Yeah.
We build different.
No, cause you know, we're not too righted and thing. And whatever.
No, me like that about we.
Yeah, but then them have a calmer thing about them. But them vibes they do, you know, don't get it twisted, do you know. Them vibes they do, you know. And thing, and them, you know, so them love reggae over here.
Yeah.
Them love reggae over here, but of course this is a soca place too, so you know, that thing there. And it's just nice, man. I'm just really nice and hospitable and thing like that. I mean, I'd come back here, you know, for real, you know.
But when you come back, make sure you come and get me. You buy me ticket.
Yeah. No, we buy your ticket, man, and carry it, you know, whatever.
Right,
but yeah, what
I'm not donkey bite.
No, yeah, because me I carry it though, but yeah, what do you can't tell nobody do it. You know? I like come and no chat too much.
But you don't tell everybody already, because everybody don't know already.
No, but me answer, but if we are going, them not gonna know. Them not gonna know if we are
tell nobody. But I really want to go to Grenada. I don't really want to go Aruba with you.
All right, you don't want to go Aruba with me? Why Aruba?
Yeah.
Why Aruba?
I heard it's beautiful.
Okay, all right.
I think it's more beautiful than Grenada. Sonya, I'm not bash your country, but that's just the truth.
Well, but Millionaire Greenland in the chat, she said, carry me too, guys.
No,
so,
yeah, I'm a friend. Come Greenland, 2 is better than 1.
Well, oh, you know her?
Yes. 2 is better than 1, my friend.
Come go say that, but you know her, and then you say she can't come and whatever.
Of course. 2 is better than 1. What are you talking about?
No, but Sinalisha said Aruba is for lovers.
Right there, so see there.
Trouble. So but you don't want. No, well, I know. Me tell you no, me not play hero do you know. So you know me can't manage it too.
No worry yourself. I'm gonna get a comfort and a touch up. Good. It's like coming on say you're like one man. Me not go disgrace you. Me just work with what?
Me look what?
One pop. Me just work with that.
One pop.
Me not kill myself.
You not kill up you. So you not gonna bother you if you like you get one good run but no more. You not gonna bother you.
Look here. Me know what to do for bring up to my forget up there so. You know what?
You good like that? Forget like a second round out or something.
Listen. Self-praise is not recommendation. I know what to do to get myself to that high.
Oh, to get yourself to that high?
Yes.
Okay, and then the other thing is you would be with a secure man who has no problem with helping you to get yourself to the whatever. You
That is
understand?
it.
You
That
understand?
is it.
Cause you have some man that bother them, just so you know, that doesn't bother Raga at all. Okay?
Yes. Don't worry, Boo. We'll take care of each
All
other.
right. Oh my. Me say me I look by you, and even though you're in the phone and whatever, me out all the way at Grenada, but just know you smell good.
Oh yes, darling. Always, honey.
Always smell no man, you have that smell good vibe about you,
Yes.
You have a smell good energy about you and thing and whatever,
Yes.
You see what I say? Yeah.
Absolutely, sir. I can
Well,
attest to that and I can accept that.
you see it. Oh, you smell right now. Like what you smell like right?
Right now,
Yeah.
wearing Chloe that I got on Thursday.
Chloe.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Santa
And of
was kind
course,
of be nice to me this year, yeah.
all right, Santa was nice to you. You got Chloe and thing and smell
Yes.
good and whatever. Ali takes say you have a clean look,
Oh, thank you. It's professional. You
Yeah.
got to come in this building professional,
You
And
see
then
it.
you're
That's right.
Jamaican, so I have to represent.
Represent and thing.
Look
But
what
me I
they
tell her,
killed
you
me for.
all
You
look
see what they
right.
killed me for? This is
Yeah.
what they kills me at work for.
Okay, see it there. Anglia business. Well,
Yes.
sweetie, listen to me now. I want you to.
Yes, darling.
Yeah, have a, if I don't talk to you before the new year, when you have a happy new year and a blessed 2026, I come and
Same
think and
to you,
whatever.
darling. Where the
I will
days?
look forward for a juggle with you same way. You see what I say?
Absolutely, darling. Absolutely. I will
All
welcome
right.
all newcomers.
You see it. Well, on the cross, where you go? Yo,
That's
get
all
one of
good from
them
Grenada.
burger there for me, yeah?
No, not eating a burger this time of night, man.
Not
Get
eating a
some
burger
chicken
this
salad
time.
or something. No, man. Till
She
New
said
Year
me
now,
not for
where you
eating
got
a
burger?
burger this time of night.
No, sir. That much o'clock now, 8 o'clock.
Is it, what you say? What about a salad?
Yes, man, we put a chicken, grilled chicken night with little hot pepper.
Nah, all right, yeah, what? The what? What? Yeah, bring him in. Bring the menu, like a shrimp salad or something.
Yeah, something like that. Put some pepper. Shrimps is
All
not
right.
good without
You
pepper.
see, me like that, some love when woman take care of me and tell me, say, yo,
Absolutely, darling.
you know what I'm saying?
And don't
Yeah.
get any strong liquor with that. Drink some lemonade or something soft, or some
Now,
cranberry juice or something.
how about just water?
Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
But when you're on vacation, you need a little something in your glass.
No, it's all good, man. All right. So Ali
Yes,
Tech say
my
you're a
boss.
good woman. Yeah, big up yourself.
Right,
Yeah,
yes,
see
sir.
them I rate
Raga,
you.
in case I'm come back, cause
Yeah,
you
man.
don't know what time it is. Okay, I'll tell you business on the phone.
All right, that's a word, man. All right, big up yourself, boo boo. All right.
All right, big up to the TamFam. Alien, one love. Bless up yourself.
Love and honor, man. See, one
All right,
Dr.
cool.
Mac, yeah, man.
One
Mad
Dr.
thing.
Mac in the building.
You
Big up
see.
Plainview Hospital. All listen. And the people living in Raga, them beat me every day. You love Raga. You just dip on Raga, so. You just dip on the Monday, so. Every day you dip on the Monday. Them
Tell
beat me
them
here,
to
them beat me there. Me nah look
leave
down
we
them.
alone and come out our business.
Right, that's so. Come down,
All
the cherry
right.
ancestor rise upon them.
You see it. You
Right.
understand. All right, Bobo. Blessings.
All right,
Yeah?
respect, TamFam.
Yeah, man. Cool.
But, gosh, it.
Dr. Mac, that Shanae, what's up? It's a cross, bring the garden salad, Caesar salad, soup of the day. What? Them have callaloo soup. I would try that. Coconut shrimp. Okay, garlic shrimp. Teriyaki chicken, surf and turf. Catch of the day, grilled lamb barack. New York sirloin steak. These are the dinner menu. Caesar salad. Seafood Cobb salad. That looks good. Grilled fish of the day, calamari shrimp, bacon bits, hard-boiled egg, and the choice of dressing. That looks good. That looks good. Seafood Cobb salad. That sounds like something me work with, with the callaloo soup. Yeah. Yeah, that not too heavy on the stomach in the night. You see what I say? And, about some ice cream to seal up the Grenada. You see what I say? Seafood Cobb salad and callaloo soup. I think that's going to be it. Yep. Millionaire Greenland. Big up yourself, you know. Our people watch your ride, you know. This one that most cost me. You know, so many hang up the live again. See, the Dr. Max said no ice cream, so all right then. I do what she say, you know. But I don't know Dr. Max, I swear go, I still work with ice cream, even though you said no ice cream, you know. Kimberly, where you up to? Oh, say Sonya, I could hear what Sonya say. Yo.
Forever to pull me up though.
Yeah, wagwan. Wait the Sonya. Let me tell you know what, Cross, you and me I work with. Seafood cob salad. Yeah. And the callaloo soup.
So seafood.
Seafood cob salad, callaloo soup, and coconut shrimp.
Seafood cob sauce.
Yeah, seafood cob salad, callaloo soup, and coconut shrimp. All right. I should I make you bring my wallet, you know, but no worries, I take care of that. I check out tomorrow. All right. So what's up, Sonya? What's up?
Nothing. I'm here.
Yeah, all right.
Beat out me nastiness. Beat out me, oh God.
What I beat out your nastiness? What?
Migraine.
Oh, I'm sorry. Have a terrible headache. Is it one of those that you can't take anything for it? You just have to ride it out? Is that it?
Yes, I have to sleep it out. Yes.
I'm sorry.
So I'm going in my playground, though. You know,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And that's St. George's, we the South.
Yeah.
And that's St. George's, we the South.
Yeah, man. We go walk straight to them, man. We go walk. The one cross, but him want KFC.
KFC?
Yeah, cross. The whole time he want KFC. So after we went and took care of business with a certain matter, which I'll post the video after the show is finished.
Can't wait to see it, yeah.
So after we took care of business and rain and wet way up now and whatever, this boy, him want KFC. Somebody say you come to Grenada and you want KFC.
No, but you know everybody, you know you have to compare the KFCs. Any island you go, you have to compare the KFCs.
You know, that is what him say. That is what him say. Him did explain to me, so that is a thing.
The KFC with the Jamaica KFC.
No, it's funny you say that, you know. It's a thing amongst KFC aficionados, you know, them in this thing like to compare like England KFC, Jamaica KFC, America KFC, and it's a thing amongst people who are into KFC.
Comparison with the KFCs, yeah.
Yeah. Even when I was
from Grenada, you know, right in Grenada they are from, right where you're there.
What?
That's where, you know, right in Grenada I grew up. Grenada St. George is right where you are.
I don't know where you come from?
Yes.
So we're right in your neck of the woods?
Yeah, that's why I could tell you where you're there. But I watch photos. Because remember, Radisson used to be Ramadan. Radisson used to be Ramadan back in the day. And you notice when you come out of the entrance of Radisson, there's a big supermarket, they call it Food.
Right across the road from there's a supermarket right across the entrance from Radisson. Yeah.
That mean playground, man. That mean hood.
That's right. What you say, are you hood?
Yeah.
Are you hood?
Where
you stammer for? Yeah, all right. Where you stammer for? Are you okay? Why are you stammering? You know? Why are you stuttering? Why are you stuttering? No, if I would, I would. You know, if I hear would, I hear would. Nothing wrong with that. One you would. One you would. No, never you this one you would. Don't this one you would.
I see this morning you're running your mother we bake. Hello, that is how we bake, sir.
No, but you know, I said it's bakes. The something I say, and I mean, it was cakes. You see, from Mr. Johnny, and I see them brown and shaped like our fried dumpling.
Yeah,
me just think it's a Johnny cakes, you know. So that's why me say a Johnny cake.
And then you could make them in the oven like bread, like you could make them flat.
No, it's bread. It's bread. You know, you hear me a beat in a video. You know, you hear me a beat in a video because when I bite it, I piece left on my mouth corner, and I did a chat to Dr. Max, she see it and beat me about it. Raga, yeah, sit there mouth corner.
Yeah.
And right away, me I said them.
You had it with saltfish?
Oh, me never have it with them. They just have them by itself. So I thought it was fried dumpling. And then they have something that look like salt mackerel, but it was a salt mackerel. If you see it in my plate, it looked like salt mackerel. So me in my mind,
fish.
Yeah, one of them is a fish, but I thought it looked like salt mackerel.
Maybe think salty. You have a little salty taste?
Not like salt mackerel, though.
Oh, okay.
So in my mind, it's like me I get something where approximate salt mackerel and fried dumplings. That's why I'm running on it. And then when me taste the thing now, but me I say, but this tastes like fried bread. I bread them fry. And I call it Johnny Cake. That time in my mind, a Johnny Cake means that when it's Johnny Bakes. And whatever. I say, no wonder Sonya can't make dumpling if a dish she grew up on. So I just start beat you.
Have some manners.
I just start beat you right away. And I say, no wonder she can't make dumpling if a dish she grew up on. I call Johnny Cake. Well, we in Jamaica, you know, they don't really do it as much now. But when I was younger, fried dumpling was also called Johnny Cake. Not boiled dumpling, you know, fried dumpling, Jamaican called fried dumpling, Johnny Cakes. So that is what I thought I saw. And through them brown and look like Johnny fried dumpling.
Yeah. And they make them flat like how you guys make boiled dumpling.
Yeah.
One of my favorite. That's my favorite thing. It's saltfish though.
But so I need to apologize to you because I thought I saw.
No apology.
No. I thought I thought I saw Johnny Cakes when it was indeed Johnny Bakes. But if you notice in the comments when me post and I beat you, right away them start correct me in the comments.
Yeah.
And I run go look on it and I say, yeah man, we go down in that town, man.
Yeah. You like it? It's fun though.
No, we just walk street, you know. Because this a boy I say one KFC, so we did ask the people them if we go KFC. When we go down
there's one right on Granby Street across from there, Farm and Garden Center.
All right then. When we go down there to that KFC, when we go down there, when we look in there, I was like, no cross.
But there's a KFC close to your hotel just down the road. So maybe
Really?
Yeah, there's a KFC close to the hotel down the road. It's when you come out of Radisson around the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, before you go down to where the wedding was, there's a KFC on the ground there. But before you go to BBC yesterday, there's a KFC and a Pizza Hut in the same building.
Oh, we never know. No, but we did downtown at that point, you know.
Yeah,
so
okay.
We did down at St. George's at that point. So when we go there, we see the cross it excited, you know, because I want to compare and this and when we go in there, we say in the ram, I like cross in, and I go in there to go stand. When we say long line in there, you know, inside of the KFC.
Yeah, they doesn't cook down there, so they don't cook.
And that we tell, we say, yo, people have not really another cooking something.
Who was the driver? What's his name? What's his name again? We have one of them that does do taxi, I think for Radisson, Roger. We used to go to school together. I think they do tours for the Radisson.
No, I never Roger. Yeah. But I am, you know, I'm cool still, you know. Make you know where I'm going and
you know how we mellow and thing, you know how he is down there.
Oh what?
So he take you up to the church on Church Street? He take you up to the church on Church Street? Not ask you if you go behind the church.
No, when the live you don't watch the video. When the live done, I go post the video. All right? When the live done, I go post the video.
I could imagine the arms out. I can't wait to repost it. But when you find that it's just nice, I wish you could get to stay longer to go all around the island.
Yes. No, I love the energy because I'm a spiritual person, you know, Sonya. Very, 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 very like my feel stuff, you know. And the feel of Grenada is nice. It's like it have a pleasant, relaxing thing here where I'm like clearly Caribbean, you know, very much Caribbean and thing, but it has a feel at home thing about it, you know. And I'm really into now in this stage of my life. I'm really into being mellow but fun. Mellow Not kill up yourself too much, but you're still fun and vibes and thing. And Grenada has that.
Yeah, I wish you could have got to see the nutmeg farm. I wish you could have seen how they make the cocoa, and I wish you could have seen how they do the nutmeg. And all
No,
that.
I would love to see all of that. No, the next time. No, you see, right, I know, you know, it goes sometime when it's your first time, you can't really focus on the full 100. You just have to get through. You know that some of that?
Yeah.
When it's your first time, you can't focus on and go all in. You just want to get through. You know, that's one part. And then later on, you know, you increase.
Increase.
You
see, and if you go to you see where you get a good vibes also. You see the countryside of the island?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Vibes there.
Seeing.
Some country people and them, they have the fuller vibes. Yeah, man.
See it there. No, man, I go forward, man. In fact, I want to do an Eastern Caribbean tour, you know. Because I've not been to the Eastern Caribbean islands, you know. I've traveled all over the world.
And the good thing about it is, you see how they just right on the beach. Oh my God! I remember as a kid, we used to walk from one end to the beach to the other end to the beach.
Yeah.
And we used to just and then you see where you guys had the wedding. It had a road between one hotel, the other long step. They call it Flamboyant, and we used to go up that hill and go down the hill to go down to the beach where you guys.
Oh yeah, you don't know, say a couple car that hill is steep, you know, couple car I go up and couldn't manage it, you know. You know, say a couple car I go up and couldn't manage it.
Yeah, that BBC hill, that Moorish hill, it's steep. Yeah, to go down to the beach,
steep, man. I can't roll back from me and thing and whatever where we are leave last night.
And especially when it was raining, that little bit of hill after you leave the beach. And you have to go up the hill and then you have to come down by Cinnamon Hill, the hotel.
And then the road tricky over there, so you have to be careful because it
lots of hills and corners.
Yeah, if you're not careful, you drop off over there, whatever. It was most interesting.
Like if you're going on the western side, like if you notice when you reach in town and you're down the corner, all you're seeing is water, just pure water. The whole western side is water.
Yeah, and then now, let us just say we went to some parts where I am not surprised the colonialists and the wicked people in the past choose them spot there, because the spot them where we go, the views are just amazing when you look down in the town.
Of course, especially behind the church. You see the whole car.
And I said, let us just say that when we go behind the church and we see the view, we're like, no wonder around here she lose her virginity, because what a view. So we are saying, hear me across though. And you know, she round here so back at the church for real. And around here take look a strain. I can't see her hold the fence and I watch a view and I take a body.
Oh, you babe.
No, we go around there, we see the view. Me say,
the view nice.
Jesus and peace. What a view. Me say no wonder this church, because I remember say another church up the line, you know. But that particular church, that other church, they have the view.
Yeah.
And the Anglican church have the view.
Yeah, the view. The Catholic church is up the road,
you understand? So we say, no wonder down here so she come dash out is something. What a view. I mean, I say, Christ, you can't see her around the fence and I bend over and I take her back as righteous and just watch the view and thing. I said, this would be so nice and thing and whatever. Yeah, the one dirty cross. No. Yeah, I can't see me I bring the people them. I can't see me I bring the people them data around. Bring some of my people them data them around here so to run here nice.
Yes, nice. I'll tell you.
But you'll see the video. Can you have me? I give it too much.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's the fort. Did you guys go up to the fort?
No.
Because
we never
right there, you could have just, because if it was by the church, you just go up and see a guy in a policeman in a little box. You just go up the hill.
Yeah, we see the hill, but we never really.
Yeah. There's another spot too, that have a view.
Oh, you would know.
Of course, no, I've never been up. I've been up there, but not for certain things. But I've been up.
Right.
Up there they kill Bishop and all them things. Right up there they kill. Up there have a very historical.
Up there them kill Maurice Bishop.
Yeah. On the fort.
So you never go up there for certain things.
No, and the hospital is up on that same.
No, well on. So you never go up there for certain things.
No.
But you're not, which is different from the Anglican church.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Right. No. But up there now, it's up there have a wickeder view than the Anglican church.
Oh, because them higher. You know, so,
up there higher.
Yeah,
and then the wharf is right there behind it. So it's really nice.
Yeah.
And the hospital is up there and
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Well, when we come out for the live, I'm going to post a video so you'll see. Yeah,
I'm so happy that the couple 2 little days
no.
you guys spend.
Wait, the well on. Eh? So the food soon come? Okay, all right. Excuse me, I'm not being rude, but you're looking exquisitely fabulous tonight. You're most welcome, darling. All right, take care. Good. All right.
Yeah.
No, you know, sir.
Okay, so you drink the Carib? You had the Carib?
I had the Carib beer, yeah.
And the Stag?
And the what?
Stag, the one in the green bottle.
No, I just had the Carib beer. Because you know the video when one brother named Donald said, Carib beer,
Donald.
Even though some other people are born out Carib beer. I don't know why around the place.
No, some people don't like it and some people rather the Stag, but I rather the Carib that any day.
What the other one named Stag?
The Stag is in the green bottle.
Oh, okay.
And then you had the classical rum, and then you had the rivers, and then you have the woodman. You have a rum down there they call woodman, don't drink it.
Them have a rum down your name, what?
Woodman.
What the rum name? Woodman? I'm not drinking it. I'm not drinking
Don't
it.
drink it.
I'm not drinking
Don't drink it.
That not sound like something for me drink. I'm not drinking Woodman.
Could you imagine you there the life and say, oh, I have enough, hey, they will beat you.
Jesus,
I have enough glass of woodman.
Yeah.
No, but it's strong. It's very strong, and they mix it with a tree back they call Babande. Babande is is the island.
Babande.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
And they put it in the put it in the under the counter rum also. Babande is a tree bark. It's something like Marby that they say it stimulates the men but it have a bitter taste.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah,
all
very
right.
interesting.
But anyway, I had a wonderful time here, and of course we're gonna be because we're flight now leave till down in the evening tomorrow. So
JetBlue.
Yeah, because we're pretty much the flight schedule and one thing. So yeah,
because
it
I
is
live down the road from the airport, Raga. My house is down the road from the airport.
Yeah, so you know what time the JetBlue flight then leave. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So.
Back in the day, remember it was BWIA and Liat.
Yeah, remember Biwi and Liat.
Biwi and Liat.
Yeah.
So when the
Liat was a short
flight.
Yeah.
Yeah, indeed. We used to fly from there to go to Miami. So by the time that was my time. We used to leave every 8 o'clock. So you're there home and you just see the plane just go up. So 8 o'clock, BB time. 3:30.
British West Indian Airways. British Indian
Airways to come in at 3. So we used to time them like that. So anytime we touch down, that is 3:30, 3 o'clock. 8,
yeah.
Because it's right there.
Okay. Nice. We give thanks to us. So Grenada nice. Caribbean nice.
We have bridge. We have jet bridge. Talk to us, noise.
Yeah. No, we never use that.
You never do the bridge?
No, we had to come out and walk down the stairs.
Oh, you had to come out and walk?
Yeah, walk on the tarmac. No, when we came, it wasn't raining.
Oh, we have jet bridge stuff.
Well, we didn't use a jet. What I noticed is that we have to still write in a form, fill out a form.
Yeah, they need to cut that out. I tell Auntie Della, I tell me Auntie she worked there, she worked for
for those other people, when you reach, when back in the day, I got Jamaica, you have to fill out the form, arrival and departure. We had to do that and thing, yeah.
They need to stop that.
Yeah.
They need. But it's nice. You get all the spices.
Yes.
Cocoa. You reach in, they greet you with spice and this and that and da.
No, man, Grenada nice, man. We're Grenada nice. Auntie. But no sad word, man. Big up yourself, boo. All right, straight blessings and things. See?
All right. So you have a good night and we'll link when you come up.
All right, baby girl. Blessings, man. Cool.
Take me down. Thank you.
Yeah, man. All right, Grenada and a thing then. I'm going to take a few more cars and then relax, look a bit and thing and whatever, I want to go on this a while ago. Okay. Millionaire Greenland never come true right this, you know? Neither did Jojo. Okay. Me just go down the line, you know. Greetings.
Raga, what going?
They are in a family, what you say?
Me there. There's a pass from here, up, you know.
Cooler, man.
Yeah,
See?
me say.
Yeah, well, there's a bill and chilling night, you know?
Yeah, man, the bill and chill at night, and I go and watch you. I
You
enjoy the
see it,
sunshine in the Caribbean day.
You see it,
You don't know?
I give thanks, man. Wait, how are you there right now?
In England. So say I
In
see.
England? Ratted. What time they know?
What time you know? What is after? After 1, you know.
What is after 1? Okay.
1:39.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Me can't stay with it too long. I pick him in a car, so me can't stay with it too long.
Yeah, man. All right, Papa.
No, man,
business
me see that you look because you still don't remember me, you know. Me I try.
Remind me, no, man. Remind me.
We work with you one time, long time in America.
Where?
I put the place in name again, one theater. So
theater, which theater?
You know, me can't remember. You know, me can't remember the name of theater, Raga.
But it on stage? Was it on stage?
Yeah, on stage. On stage. So
okay.
I did link you one time when you come to England. Come on, in the club. Because when you guess them come on and me at press and I realize so me and most of them are friends.
Yeah.
Already. Me and most of them
No, your name sound familiar, you know. Charles Tomlin. Yeah, your name sound very familiar. You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Now, say a word,
man.
Jamaica
show them. Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, because we're going to buck up again. You know?
Yeah.
The world is much smaller now than before. Right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We most definitely will buck up again. You know?
Yeah, man. Mr. Link you up, man. I say, me listen you all the while, you know? So,
blessings, man.
I come in no mix up, me just hear you.
Yeah, man. That's cool, man. I know. Big up the kids, them and your family and everybody, and all the best for the 26th.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. Do your thing,
straight
man.
blessings, my brother. Yeah, man. Right, protection. Right, cool. Yeah, man. Wait, hold on. Okay. Yeah, man, you know, juggle down a Grenada broadcast and thing, you know. I have an app. The app is called Bin. And I can look for it. Bin. B-E-E-N. Yeah, I think I saw it named Bean. And all it is, it just lists all the countries of the world and you can click each one that you have been to. And so one more I go click in at the app, you know. You understand what I say? Yeah. Grenada. I really need to check out them Caribbean.
I think you're fine. Oh my God, this looks so good. Little scotch. No. Which one? Goldfish. Go up. They don't have goldfish. What? How old are you? I can't. There's not an age for a goldfish. There's no goldfish under here. Sorry.
Card has the ability to have like probably 15 ICU patients, but normally it's like I think only staff like 8. No. Like 1 night at admission and 3 centralized, 1 room and 2 in the cockpit. Like
$1, $1. You see? I tell you, man. Don't scan. Sure. Have a good night, ladies. 67, all right. You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Eat this baby, what happened? Eat this baby, what happened?
What happened?
Wagwan.
Oh,
What's up?
fudge.
How you do?
Yeah, the people that work on the phone in my pocket.
You know, long way I listen you from this and that and bray, and you'd be all right and bray. We are listen from way back in where they are cock ears and a fast, you know. And we hear something like when I tell, but you see when we come out, all we could hear was this or whatever. So right away me start cut my ears and I think some bingo, you know. But me hear whole heap of other talking and me I say no no bingo cause and I can them big group sitting there. She's certainly not that or whatever. But we did a cock we ears and a fast a while ago, man, I listen to everything.
But not even realize that the man did done talk a while ago.
Me I tell you we hear $1. $1.
Come here, trouble the girl there.
Well, you're good though, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
So hold on, the phone just go on in your pocket and thing without
Yeah, the phone come me there watch me there listen to you and them people, yeah.
Yeah.
And you know
Yeah,
the phone in my pocket the thing is me get up from my desk and start walk.
Yeah.
So I put the phone in my pocket.
Yeah.
It's blasted phone.
Yeah.
Send requests.
Send requests and thing and make me go bring you up and all them things and whatever.
Yes.
Right. And then and probably all, you know, you could all go involved in something where you don't need nobody else to know and them thing that you're busy. But just so you know, if something like that come up and we can pick up so what mother go so boom and cut it off to protect you, okay?
I thank you. I thank you for that, Mr. Ragashanti.
You're most welcome, darling. Okay, blessings. And I love women who have these like cute chuckles that you do. Cause you know you have a cute chuckle, right?
Oh,
yeah,
thank you.
I'm into cute chuckles and things. So big up yourself with your cute chuckle, and
big up yourself too.
All the best for the 26. All right.
Thank you, Mr. Ragashanti, and the same for you and yours.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings, man. Cool.
Safe travels tomorrow, okay?
Give thanks. Yeah, man. Protection.
All right.
Cool. Yeah, man.
You too. Bye.
You see. Yeah. A fairly good listen there just now, you know. Nothing salacious or problematic in any way. You know, it's a cross order that food, but I don't know if I forgot for the food. I don't know if I forgot for the food, you know. Hold on, the people. Give me 1 second. No, don't move. Give me 1 second. Oh, because we're right beside the place, you know. It's the right there, so. Car cross. 1 second now. No, don't move, you know. You know, I want to stand up. I turn on this phone for stand up because I don't know no foolishness. You know. All right. Check. All right, cool. Yeah, we have to go to Lagos soon, you know. The food not ready yet, so I'm going and juggle till the food ready. Yes, I. No, the hotel Wi-Fi, I hold it still in.
Hey, what's up?
Greetings.
Hey,
Hello.
Robert, how you doing?
Boy, I'm
You
there. I
hear me?
give thanks. What's going on with you?
I'm good. I started following you a couple months ago. I'm from St. Vincent. I'm close to Grenada.
Oh, so
Yeah.
is it you're up the road or down the road?
Down the road.
Oh, Grenada,
It's after
St.
Grenada,
Vincent is
then
below.
Carriacou.
Yeah.
It's after Grenada. It's Carriacou, Petit Martinique, and then St. Vincent have some islands, Union Island and other Grenadian islands before you get to St. Vincent.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. That's it right there.
And
I
as
think
you
I
said,
wanna-
Grenada is nice. My favorite area there, because I normally sail, so I used to go to Grenada a lot, is Grenans. Grenans is where they have KFC and all the hotels and the lovely beach. Yeah.
That is where
Grenada
I
is
am. That
nice.
is where I am. That is where I am. I'm
Right,
actually
right.
literal on the Grenada beach, you know. So.
Right.
Oh, so we're in the nice part then, correct?
Yes, man. I love Grenans. After this, and they have nice shopping area.
Oh,
So
okay.
after I discover Grenans, I avoid shopping in the town. I would take the bus and go out to Grenans and shopping lime in Grenans. Yeah, they have a mall. They have a mall next to the KFC there in Grenans. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what Sonya was telling us, that there's a KFC.
Yes, it's very the KFC
close
is
to where
close
I
to
am.
you.
Yeah. Yes. Chris Grass, I did over at KFC. Same one, try.
Yeah,
Grenada
I've
KFC.
I've been to Jamaica. I went to UTech for a week of workshop. So I had KFC in Grenada in Jamaica. I had it in Trinidad, Antigua, Barbados, Grenada.
Wow.
St. Vincent, I think ours is the best.
Which one is the best? The one for St. Vincent, right?
Yeah, man.
Well, so the Grenada one, really.
I've not been biased, but I've tried.
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah.
So the Grenada
I
one.
tried Burger King in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I didn't like it. I couldn't eat it. It was too greasy.
Interesting.
So that's why I left and went to KFC instead, because after I went there, I saw Burger King advertised. I said, let me try it in Jamaica, see what's it like. Yeah. When I was there, I stayed in New Kingston, in Knoxford Court.
Yeah, right. I'm familiar.
Right.
I stayed there several times.
The taxi pick us up every morning, take us to UTech from there. When you finish 5 in the evening, back to the hotel.
Right.
I even visited. I went up to Beverly Hills overlooking Kingston.
Right.
And I went to Track on Records, and I had lunch there before we fly out, and it was real nice. Seriously.
Right.
And I love how Jamaica maintain their culture.
Yes.
I love and all the maintain all the accent.
What do you mean maintain the
culture? It doesn't care
like,
what part of the world you go.
Yes.
You maintain your accent. You don't try to change it.
Yes,
I love that. Yeah.
Well, you have some Jamaicans that are into being what we call speaky spokey, but you're quite right. Jamaicans for the most part are quite comfortable speaking in their natural way. Yes.
Yeah, the airport in Kingston, to me, it was strange. It's like an island by itself, and you're driving across with the sea on both sides of the road. Yeah.
Oh, the road to the airport, right? Airport road. Yes, you're right. Okay,
I hope
some
one
good
of these
memories.
days you can come and visit St. Vincent. You would love it as well.
I'm most definitely.
And we have a new Sandals Resort. Is the newest
Yes,
one?
I saw Adam talking about it and thing, and it looks really nice.
Yeah.
And thing and whatever.
I hope one of these days
I will definitely
this side.
Yes, I will definitely make it a point of duty to go to more Caribbean islands and things, because I've been all over the world and I'm not been all over the Caribbean.
to go to Jamaica on a vacation, though, to get to know, the more tourist areas.
You should.
I see that it's advertised as Dunn's River Fall and those places.
Yes, on the north coast is
I
where
would love to,
all of
take
that.
my family and visit those places.
Yeah, you should.
I always say to people, I visited for those between Trinidad and Jamaica.
Yeah.
I said I can live in Jamaica. If I have to choose between Trinidad and Jamaica, I love Jamaica. There's something, I don't know if it's because our accents are similar, but when I went there, I feel at home in Jamaica, man.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah,
very
and I have a
nice,
lot of
very
friends
nice.
who are Jamaicans. Yeah.
Very nice, very well. Big up yourself. Thank you on behalf of all
have a safe
Jamaicans. I
flight
want to
back
thank you
tomorrow.
for this. Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
man.
All right,
Have a
blessings,
safe
man.
one. All the
Respect.
best to
Here,
you.
cool. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Respect.
man. Cool. All the best.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay.
Same to you and best of health.
Yes,
Yeah.
man. Okay.
To you and your family.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you
good,
so
man.
much, and the same to you and yours. Blessings.
All right, good.
Okay. Yeah, man, we just want to big up all of the people from the Eastern Caribbean and thing, And when we say Eastern Caribbean, very often we're referring to the English-speaking Eastern Caribbean. But, Montserrat and Martinique, big up on yourself to and thing, blessings and respect, seeing everything is everything, the French-speaking Eastern Caribbean folks, big up on yourself. Trini, large up, and when I left out those in the south, which is Guyana and thing, and Antigua and the whole works. Everybody, Antigua is in the Eastern Caribbean. Big up on yourself, everything good and thing. Seeing, I just want to wish Happy New Year to the whole of and thing. I think a couple more of them call before my Lego. All TamFamers, big up on yourself, love and blessings to the whole of all right? Know that, Happy New Year for the 2026 and thing. We're going to make it a special year. Greetings, hello.
Greetings, hello.
From your ear, the call come, you know what going on for Carolina, what going on?
Hi, Raga, what's up?
Boy, I'm there,
Right. I went to Grenada last year.
Well, I'm here about that. Well, the little thing with your car, right?
Yeah, my car. Jesus. All right, took it off.
Yeah. Talk to me.
Right. No, so I went to Grenada last year.
Yeah.
And I stayed not right off Grenada's beach on the like a little hill.
Yeah.
Where I stayed, you can look right down on Grenada's beach. Anyways, when I was leaving, I went to the yacht club.
Right.
And I am really not one for checking out men with money. But I'm telling you, when you see those yachts, when I see those yachts, I really just wanted to go right back to Grenada to find me a rich old man. Seriously. The yachts were so fascinating. Oh my God.
What about them? What made them so fascinating?
I don't know. It just says money. Money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And honestly, I never want to really look at men for their things, but I'm telling you, those yachts.
Yeah.
They had me. They really did.
What? So it look like you have an elite class here with them good up money here in Grenada and thing,
Yeah, man. Yeah, it was really nice.
And things. See.
And also, I went to St. Lucia as well when I was dating my ex. And I think I had the best sort out there. In St. Lucia.
Well, wait, that G. Yeah.
It was kind of like a makeup sex. It was so good.
And it was really, really good, though.
It was so good.
All right, blessings, so man. That's so.
Rodney Bay, I will never forget it. Rodney Bay, St. Lucia.
Jesus God, you really get the good rod, though. Over Rodney. I said, you get some good rodding over Rodney, man.
Oh, yes.
Lord,
you know what happened? One night, my ex and I, we went to the beach, night beach. And we went skinny dipping, right?
Nice, yeah.
And while we were in the water, there was some rocks, like a little wall of rocks right next to where we were. So there was a guy who was crossing from one side of the beach over the rocks to the other side to where we were.
Yeah.
But I guess he couldn't really. I don't think he could see us.
Right.
Anyways, Raga, when we were done, my guy's shorts was gone.
Him take away him shorts?
I think the guy stole his shorts.
What?
yes.
So how he manage?
So luckily we had some towels. I think, in the car. And I had to go get the towel so he could put it on. But yeah, somebody stole his shorts.
While on a skinny dip.
Yeah, we were skinny dipping, yep.
So wait, when on a skinny dip and thing, did I have fun also in other words? Oh, you mean, don't it? That's a go on,
hello. Raga,
yeah.
I'm a Sag. Don't play with me.
You're a Sag. Okay, that argument done.
Don't play with me,
Argument done. If you're a Sag, argument done.
If
you're a Sag, so wait, when was your birthday?
Right after crisscrosses.
All right, okay. Oh, so you're November Sag?
Yeah.
Okay, but you're Sag man and whatever, so you deal with it wicked.
Of course, I wouldn't let you. Anywhere I go, some of my water get left in those waters.
Well, that bad. No, me love that out there. Anywhere you go, any beach you go.
I go to the water.
Yeah, if you go into the water, some of your water left in the water.
Absolutely.
Some of your water left in the water. Oh, you mean? Yeah, that's one life to live. Enjoy your life to the fullest. I like them something there. I love them something there. Proper. Scene. Big up, man, and blessings, man. Yeah, man, Grenada nice. I like it, don't it?
It's very nice. It's very quiet.
Quiet.
It's very, I feel safe when I'm there. So safe.
Yes,
I feel like
yes.
nobody bothers you. It's really nice.
Yes, indeed. All right, blessings, you don't know your SDC, so you know 100%, your ratings turn up, 100%. All right. And I just want all ANC woman hear your talk right, I want the whole hour just bow, right?
That's right.
Yeah, from your ear.
Bow to the queen.
Bow to the queen. From your ear, SDC right. Woman attack. When if you just have some manners and show some respect and bow to the queen.
Learn some stuff. All right?
I learned some stuff.
Spread your water.
Spread your water. I like that. Yeah. No found ANC woman, Empress Milo, you included, hype and thing and whatever. And I bet you say when I never left for the water in the water when I never in the right thing. Go on about to the business and I live the life. And that me I telling you here. Listen to the SDC teacher school and thing. Right, it's all about water in the water.
That's
okay.
Right.
I want to know about that. All right, Tyler. Big up yourself. Love and blessings. Yeah, man. Cool, man.
Bye-bye.
Cool.
Bye.
All right, people. I'm going to let go, you know. Ruthie, you just come in at the chat. Yes, Tina 43. You know, sir. It look like somebody. Well, I know for a fact that they must say some scammer take over one of your Facebook account, and you didn't make me know. So people, if you see somebody from an Tina, the account where them take over from you, it's called Tina Lee, right? Let me see, right? Tell me, is it called Tina Lee? I'm just waiting for her to answer, guys. Is it called Tina Lee? I know them people are out there with them foolishness. I'm just waiting for a response from Tina. Oh, the food is here. You can put it right here, sir. Oh, I need to sign for that? Okay, all right. Yeah, man, you can't just put them there, man. It's okay. Wait, that's so much food?
This is the soup.
This are the soup?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the bread for the soup.
That's the bread for the soup, okay. All right, this are the shrimp, okay. Do I need to do anything? Or is it set? Cause him they take care right?
Take care of it by the back.
No, I don't know. No. We're there's a whole group of us here, but he had ordered it 106. It's for 106. Let's put it on 106, okay? All right, then cool. Let me see. Did Tina Lee answer? Did Tina answer? Oh, me not see she answer. Tina, 43 or so, whatever. Me not reach out to you and thing, but anyway, I don't see a response from me. All right. But people, somebody, they sent something to me from an account named Tina-Lee. If you see somebody send something to you and I talk about anything along the lines of like, oh, me get locked out of my account and I need to give them 3 legitimate friends in order to get back in my account. So I can send you a code and you tell me what the code is or whatever. Tell me what the code is or something. You get something like that from somebody. It's a scam and they want to take over your account and thief your account from you. Or get you to put your account, put the number in something in your phone and them are going to get access to your phone. Right? It's either them want to take. Yes, Tina 43. Someone hacked your account because you had let me know. So I am letting all TamFamers know that the account that them hacked, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's called Tina-Lee, even though they can change it to. But I'm just telling you what came to me. And of course, when them do them thing, them always I try to figure this urgent thing and this urgency thing and whatever. But me know them game them. I mean, I try to string them along for them say even more, right? Right? And yeah, Tina Lee. And they were like, oh no, I need to get in on my account and whatever. Could you just such and such with this number, this and that and whatever, Ray. And again, you have a whole heap of them, but the 2 main one is either they want to steal your social media account, or if you do what them tell you to do, they will have full access to your phone. Everything in your phone, including your account, your private information, everything. And them can take over your phone too. And them can go in your email, everything, and change up everything and whatever and all them something there. So, and by the way, people, they're all over. Just so you know, they're all over. That's a form that is called phishing. Phishing. Phishing, but it's a play on the word phishing, Fishing. And the idea is that when you're fishing, you throw out a bait. And if the fish bite, you're going to catch them. So phishing, which is a play on the word fishing, which is a play on Phishing, is a play on Fishing. But the PHI one, it happened in the online world, in the cyber world. And what they do, they throw baits to you. But when them throw the bait, them always frame it in a way where if you're not careful, you jump go do what them say them for do. And once you do that, you go grab one on the bait and you get catch. And you get knocked. So somebody do that with Tina Lee to me. Them have all kind of something out them. I'm just making you know about that one day because you have people them come on social media who do them something there and them sit down and them study people's lives. And them see opportunity for hustle. There's some of them I listen right now and I watch right now. Right? And some of them bold enough for y'all call and chat to you good and all them something there. You understand? Yeah, you don't even know who to trust. Me I tell you, you call the people them want to do it. Sometimes I don't even know who you think. You understand? But it's a big thing. And that's around the world, right? You know, the whole scamming thing and whatever. But the cyber, social media versions of those is just ridiculous. But again, no social media is going to tell somebody, say, you lose your account, and in order to prove who you are, go get somebody else to do something. It no go so. Again, let me say that again. Anybody link you and tell you say such and such happened to them, and you need for do so and so. Social media tell them so them have to get somebody else for do so and so. No go so. It's a scam. So when them come at me with that and thing or whatever, you know, like, because them start up by contact me please. You know, me busy and things. Some say, hey, what's up? And them say, send me a number. So me have a number. I do business. I think so me send a number. So then I say, put it. Then I say, oh, so and so happened to me. I need to put this. I must put it in what? I say, put it in what? Why I must put it in? So I realize what I go on, and I try to string them along and thing and whatever. And them things say them, you know, me interested in things and them whatever. So after a while, I just say, nope, I'm not doing it. Nah, do that or whatever. I say, you're not Tina Lee, right? And then me say, the red something come up, well, like, say them cut off and think of them realize. So just know that these people troll the internet and them go around and them look for who them think are prime targets for this type of thing. And part of what they do is they break into groups. So them go to them send out to a whole bunch of people in the group, right? So them will come in at the yes and act like say, you know, them cool and them just step on the live or whatever. But them pay attention to the chat and I pay attention to me and I hear who for name me a call and who in the chat. Right? And so whatever now is them, you know, send all kind of things to the people being mentioned. And if one of them go bite now and thing, then them get in. So say Kimberly go bite now and thing or whatever. No, and then them get in with Kimberly. Like 20 other people never do what them and Kimberly go bite and the fishing catch Kimberly and them get in. And now them take over Kimberly account. Then what them do now, they will send something to me or anybody else. Them just go in the group and I send it to who them know them name I mention. Because them know say we know we are here Kimberly mentioned, we are here Dr. Matt mentioned, we are here so and so mentioned or whatever. So them send it to those people. So what happened on me, we see something coming from Kimberly and right away it triggers something in me like, oh, Kimberly and link me. Because Kimberly said, what happened? I said, what going? I said, yeah, man, you me there, I want to look at a place or whatever, this and that. Where you there and thing, you send me a number or whatever. I said, okay, boom. Kind of mind, I talk to Kimberly. Because them sit down and them study, it's a Raga, I know Kimberly, and Kimberly, I know Raga. That is what they do. So them decrease the chances of you suspecting them by sending some a name familiar to you. Right? And again, me hip to them something there, so them not gonna catch me. Right? But me just a one or two. So be clear. Anything will come to you tell you to do something that go in the instruction from a name where you're familiar with in a TamFam or whatever. And I say, them always start first and kind of friend you like them talk to you like a person, you know. But once you hear them say something along the line like so and so and so and so, right? Or something that any of them ask if you do something. From them I say, they are in this dire straits and they need you to do so and so. And they must send something. From them I send a link to you for you click the link. Don't click the link. If they must send a number, if you see a number come to you, let me show you a common thing. If you see a number come to you and them ask you what is the number, don't tell them the number. Let me say that again. If something come to you in your email or to you electronically and they're saying, oh, because you're my friend or so and so, them send it to you, can you tell me what them sent to you? Don't tell them what that is. Can let me give you a simple example. You know when you lose your password, but you have you lose your password also, and then you send your password, then you send for renew your password. And then it go to your email address, or it go to so whatever. Boom, boom, boom. So if them give a store, if them do that now, I know your account, and them go there and try change your password for getting a your account. And them give a story now and say so and so and so. But in your mind, you don't know, say that them are name the your account, you know. And then you go send back that information to them. Then you just give them full access to your thing and them will take over your thing. All right? So don't give them no information and don't do what them tell you to do. And in a broader scale, even outside of this, what we are talking about, just in general, when people call you and say so and so and whatever, boom, bam, bam, bim, tell them, say, all right, I'm going to hang up and call back. Right? And then you hang up. Make sure you don't call the number where them give you. You call the number where you know are the customer service number for the place. Or you go in at the website and see and search if that number, because you know some places have different number. But don't call the number where them give you. Because some of them, you know, them fix up them thing and use letterhead and copy Bank of America, chase them copy bank and all them something there and thing. Very often it's being done outside, someplace outside of Asia or someplace outside of Western Europe or even in Russia and things like that. And in doing so, if you pay attention, they very often make, you know, some little grammar errors or them do a little thing, or you see the formatting is just, you know, like it have some imperfection or there are some subtle grammar errors in there you can't pick up on thing, or, you know, them try to write in the language of corporate, you know, corporate America's language. And sometimes them, you know, they do it good, you know, but there's something is usually off if you pay attention and you can't know when them are do them something there, right? But me just want to know, people now walk in a bank again with gun and I say, give me all of your money. That's so yesterday. That's so 10, 20, 50 years ago, right? Everything now is like electronically. I just saw it there, right? So y'all got to be careful out there in general. So again, listen. If somebody from an individual account, for any reason, send and I tell you, say, remember them always a trigger you with some kind of emergency, you know. Right? So if anybody link you and I tell you, say, some sort of emergency coming in, and this needs to be done now, right away, clutch. Don't allow your emotions to be triggered. Don't allow anxiety to come. Don't buy into this urgency thing. Just relax. Second, if them say they're in such and such a problem and them need to do such and such, so they need you to do such and such, don't do it. Nothing no so. If them say them say such and such a thing and whatever, and it was sent to you, what is the number? Don't tell them the number. Right, and don't click any links where anybody send you. Not click no link. Right now, of course, within reason, if you have your friends who are share something with you off of Instagram or so whatever, that different. But again, if somebody just randomly tell you say such and such a app, I need if you press that link here for, in order to help me for do such and such, you know, so I can get back in. No, don't do it. All right, that is that. All right. Let me see what. I just want to show another food before I go. So let me see what is it. Hold on. Let's see how I am. Which one this? So what is this? And what is? This is a full meal by itself, man. I think this, oh man, but this look bigger than what I think it would be. I don't know. Just a show, no. I'm seeing pasta. I'm seeing. But I remember what my order, you know. That's so silly. Anyway, let me see the other thing. you have that. What is this over here now? Listen, what is? All right. See what we want, huh? No, this is obviously a salad, right? And what kind of salad me get again? There's shrimp in it. Okay, it was a seafood something or the other salad, right? Right? There's shrimp up here. I don't know if you can see the shrimp. Yeah, there's a shrimp. So this I'm gonna eat, okay? Let's see what else over here. So, what is this? Hold on. Oh yeah, I had ordered a few shrimp, you know. So it's like some appetizer shrimp, so that should be good. And then finally, oh no. You remember that I ordered callaloo soup? Because when I was young, my mother used to give me callaloo soup in Jamaica. I hated it. You see, callaloo soup and rice porridge, for me, those things were like nightmares, right? I mean, I didn't even like callaloo and cabbage or whatever, you know? When you look a bit and whatever, you're conditioned to love meat. And then I got older and whatever, and nobody no love callaloo and akimura me. You understand? It's still no dice with the rice porridge, but anybody make rice porridge again? Yeah, I don't know. I know like, I don't hear about rice porridge and whatever, but it was a thing when we were growing up to make rice porridge. Me never like it, but me see the callaloo soup. That, I don't want to spill it, but that is a callaloo soup. That is a callaloo soup. It should be interesting. All right, I'm going to drink the soup. But anyway, people, I'm going to let go now and thing. Big up on yourself and thing. Thank you for hanging out with me here. Ragashanti live on TikTok. I'm in Grenada. Ragasi, pin the flowers for me. Pin the flowers for me. Oh, Raga. Oh, let me read this. Oh, I was trying. Christina, could you put it back? I think it gone. I wanted to read it, but it gone. This sound like something I'd read. Come on. Oh, here we go. All right, hold on. No, but wait. Hold on. I'm trying to read the entire thing. It's not allowing me to read it. Raga, over 20 years ago, you motivated me to make a change. Today, I am a school leader. But there's more, but I can't see it. Today, I'm a school leader. Nah, come on. And an author. Congratulations, I'm Ashley. And then congratulations on your achievement. And it is indeed a pleasure of mine to know that I played even a small, minute part in your accomplishments. Big up yourself, and I want you to keep on growing and rising same way, all right? And again, congratulations on your achievement. And whatever you decide to do or to continue doing for 26, I think, big up yourself. And I wish you all the best with it. And you will do well and you will exceed even your own expectations, okay? All right? Blessings and respect. TamFamers, big up on yourself. I'm going back to the United States tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 30th. And I'm reaching in late, so you're not going to hear from me. So I don't know if you guys are going to hear from me before You know, because the next day is New Year's Eve. So I don't know if you guys are going to hear from me before New Year's. So if you don't, I want to wish you all the best for 2026. I look forward to growing with you over TamFam World. Okay, I look forward to growing with. What was that? Over TamFam World and thing, and you know, a lot's going to happen. A lot's going to happen over in Big Yard, especially over there, and thing, and other stuff is going to happen on Tambourine Radio and Outarda Radio, TamFam TV, and at Raga World at Ragashanti.com. Okay, so I'm excited about 2026. We are going to make it what we want it to be, which is productive and fun-filled, and with multiple opportunities for growth that cumulatively will constitute successful living for all of us, okay? I want you all to enter 2026 with a positive mindset. I'm not just say that for just hear something will sound good, right? Remember, application is important. Knowledge without application is essentially useless. So you have to apply yourself. And when you apply yourself, do not necessarily expect immediate transformation. And if it don't happen overnight, you feel like it's not working. Real change in anything substantive or substantial, it requires you to apply yourself continuously. And that requires discipline. That requires accepting a routine that you have to follow and to do this thing over and over and over and over again in order to grow into something new or to continue something that is already working, something good that is already working, to continue. I wish you all the best, TamFammers. All right? Big up on yourself. Take care of you and yours and everything. And, you know, I'm just going to chill and eat some food now. Drink some callaloo soup and eat some shrimp and thing. And just kick back a little bit and thing. And then tomorrow, I'm coming home. Take care of yourselves, people. Enough respect and blessings and thing. One time from, I want to thank you all for your support this year. I want to thank you all for your support this year. Right through. Big and serious, right through. Thank you. Right, and there's a set of people there, boy. You just always in my corner and just always have my back and thing. And yeah, sometimes I just sit down and reflect on and thing. And you know, people, you know, the SDC and ANC ladies, man. When I tell you, the SDC and ANC ladies, man. Boy, may I tell you, boy, I'm just so thankful for them. I'm big up everybody who have my back and thing. Craigton. Everybody else and thing, you know, big up all who support me throughout the year, Chumpy and Patrice and everybody, all right, Ruthie and the whole works and people who say Missy Bram Bram and them people, but Missy Bram Bram solid and dead, you know, Dr. Mac, the whole work. Yo, Ilian, big up yourself, you know, boy. Just big up yourself and just call in and give you vibes throughout the year and thing, you know, hot and spicy. The whole of who call in and thing. Big up, you know, what's your name there with the Ponder Rock Mixup who just take it, right? Big up all who call in and to give Mixup on a share and whatever and thing like that. Scene. Bless up on yourself. Big up all Juice Media. Big up yourself, man. Big up everyone on all on Kimberly, every night there with your unending focus on we need to get 100,000 likes. We need to make this thing happen. Big up on the whole on. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. I thank you, and we're just looking forward to growing TamFam for the year to come, all right? And my job is to provide, you know, content to you guys that you guys can enjoy and, you know, and learn from, be inspired and be entertained and be educated, right? To educate, to inspire, and to make you laugh. You understand, all right? Big up on yourself, love and blessings. Thank you for hanging out. CeeLo, big up yourself, you know. Thank you for hanging out. Shanae and thing, thank you for hanging out with me tonight and thing, having a look of fun with me tonight. I appreciate it and thing. Blessings, all right? So tomorrow, again, there won't be any show because we'll be traveling tomorrow. It's an interesting little journey here, and Grenada is about a 4-hour flight away, and we have to go to the airport and check out and all works and thing. All right. So tomorrow I travel day. All right. Blessings, man, and respect. All right. Take care, people. Cool.